Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Nsem a ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi bia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
The way soldier force your discipline no. Vanguard for them soldier force specific.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough the nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in a minute? Edin so piece on the economy management to be answered. John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the China inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosobane meja paye entisi amosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebrekro na. Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now,
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Nsem a ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi bia.
Panimfo bi aya almost school feeding contractors we so me so a ni a check boko e de amano no abeje se o feedi enkwara 5,000 enso na enu e bia nko ba enu nti e na me ka se we nu ya hwe ni ye yempe in the name of the for the benefit of the rich. Finally ye hunu say a buying strategy in dealing with Yadiwe. Mimi who say a year they say information management, public opinion manipulation in Yema. And yeah, idea who say Omoya serious to say health crisis no and Omoya who because say Oma dia so no ya dia unity a ya oma identify ni say e grow exponentially e dia ene ye hu ba ko enche si e drew 4 na drew 16 na drew 64 that is the way e grow e grow ko drew peak na aka peak wo kakra na atati e follow enti daily infection rate and e di hu bu konta e hwese de esi trend ekro enti e di achira with or without interventions no e bedru ba bi no peak ya adru no na e ba from daily infection rate no na e ba from anti Edru baby na eba around 0. Who said the whole day obi anya bi wo kro no so. Ni amaki day 1. Second day obi anya bi wo kro no so. Ni amaki. Enti amaki number of days. Na eburu incubation period of SARS disease no. Na say ya start declare say kro ye SARS virus free. Into the virus nephew. And daily infection rate is very critical in South Korea. But the young women Ghana one the buy. Obian can daily infection rate is 1%. Total no my drew 150. And the 3 days. Now, I near both figure for the latest figure 214. Say Adawa for the Awada between them. 80 days. Any day, babe.
That's a result in
the or 3 days here, anymore. And now, the results of 15,000 tests at the Ababi Tuga. Let me be say 15,000 tests no no da ben. And na yanya whole report in the daily infection rate no. Enti akwa say ye test near the results na egu ho. Temo abai pete create a certain public opinion amano. Temo on certificates be better out. Now conflicting with whoever be yeah. Then also need to suppress it. Na se sa ne de kutia ya de dia. And you ever break a crack. If you say sa ya de no information about the spread ni ade no. Se kwa no ba out wa. Eno kura buama compliance with the emergency I announce no. Edimu. Because let me say I won't say Ghana for between Owo any process for the only Ghana for slow or mokasi. That Ghana for slow would be. And don't teach Owo no ba near Boho the ramp and pass Owo no ba a do her, Upia Ubiwa. Anything I did process for the book couldn't say, yeah, a mood or him near being compliance and non. Now, at you have a 4 day, 5 day. TV, the dear ma intense rate, dear ma. Ethiopia, sorry, I attend them, and then I think I have the dear my what yes, you could. We are coaching on Yabono, and I did not go to court. Independent, say, I buy no, minimum, I can buy them. Young quarter 15,000 move up. One per time over now, so actually. And now says a sample, so no. Any action, any lab or hunty, I didn't know quite richly. Now I change the results, meaning I better one there. Because Kro Hano, then test 15,000 in a day. And the Ethiopia, Yatesia, results will be a good one, Yakatacho, a China managed 15,000 and also. That is not the way to fight.
But one other point, according to the WHO, no, you don't report on suspected cases. You report on confirmed cases. And Ubenya confirmed cases after testing. It is a testing who positive case. Why do you expect them to come and announce? Say every day or more may announce say Obi Nyebi and Obi Nyebi.
Then that's it. Say a confirmed case in 24 hours.
Yeah, depending on when you
test 24 hours, yeah, confirm. And until that, the other confirm, and settle you go how many do 15,000 and can have an answer.
No, 15,000 a year. Sir, step up contact tracing testing or more within lockdown period. Need not 19,000.
And you confirm say in the day, test now air personal. Saying did they inform you? As I say, you will know on a daily basis. And Sana, we now cassette contact tracing in do 15,000. Now, according to the one you say, the two and you say, they say, and you say, if the accounting now contact tracing, no, am I entire 2,000 out of the 15,000? And no, and request say, Uber chain, and you know, while the community is starving with information, information will be necessary to prevent further spread. Now, say me to hope, me 15,000 million also. But that anyway. Now, yes, I'm a WHO, so I recommend.
And you are of the opinion, say, are buying deliberately a stifle of some critical information.
President, Nekasa and the immediate so free muno. Because the test in Ugusua, air cost daily. Now, among coming in train, now President Yabena also say, this year air by no the 15,000 results will be there. It can only mean, say, there be 100 near test to go or 100 no among country or more test here go have and do. 15,000 and Oma Benauso. That is what it means. So, or any other understanding of that statement in our which media to Ghana Chief was what.
But what's your president's statement now? Okay, say the Ghana Health Service will be receiving results of 15,000. What it means, they say Ghana Health Service in Sanka result this week no mon sabeka. If you read the
results no, e won Gucci ho, and now ma test 15,000 ba kokura ma out. Yeah, can you do man san e dia koma Ghana Health Service and answer hefa. So what's the why no.
But again, say, omoya no daily, omo di nyina bom be kan e once. The difference ben they make it.
Difference means say won't mean track the progression of the disease. Because progression no, any decline no, any edi who say yade no kwa na say threat. Enunti no ne edi access effectiveness of interventions and so I put in place. And when it say and drew 4 near say National Day of Prayer I cop bomb by here. Na ya record bia. Sana certain yanko point and pipe. Now adechina economy sani who say intervention no. I know anti-man. Of course there is always the issue say it be employable man Kenya more than that. But having said that, you know, intervention you put in place. Say besides say lockdown no. The impact in the saying how are you going to answer it? Because lockdown no, first day lockdown and the be I who say a year, about 30 years, second day lockdown. And you say, not the throughout lockdown, daily infection rate no come from one. 10 years who say lockdown at the results over. Now, I could do honey be south say lockdown, yen twice one, union free. How are you going to answer?
The government will then say lockdown was to afford us the opportunity. Say a contact tracing in the INA. Nayetimi and narrow nipa will be from also moving from one place to the other. In the Timia contact tracing, no. The
results restricted the spread of the disease. And then who say spread of the disease, no. You are succeeding in restricting it, or you are succeeding, you are expanding it. Nhyira, a beba in the daily infection rate. So, if the community is denied knowledge about the daily infection rate, how are they going to assess the effectiveness of measures you put in place?
General.
I don't think Menka say everything is bad, but I'm saying say we have crucial information, piece of information, and say I buy no money today.
And now,
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Right, Sabusan Koya Yasayaba Wate, the voices of the General Secretary for the NPP was also at that of the NDC Johnson Esidun Katia. So you heard John Bodu earlier and Awate Esidun Katia, all on lockdown discussions, matters are rising. Now, the government at the last address by the President of the Republic, Adebetu, just said, Shishe bebre egwa kwa mwa Ghana fwa komde womu nyaduani ni nema hudo bebre no aban eden shishe egwa kwa mwa oma wona aduane edi mo amaye mo problem pa utimu se opa wase opa hu asnim akomde nema bebre enye no boboden na aban enfidiu to the telephone numbers ahodo egwa kwa mu. Now, what we are picking up, and it's the various assembly members, when the Sanshi Abino added to hope for NADMO, so woman be leading, and some selected religious bodies and as churches and a be coordinating. Now we told severally now there are several calls on assembly members any other day they should be leading. Sante region several concerns. Ibinyamre na yako na yene some of the assembly members akasa challenges being and womo go through and answer report ben womo saka in respect to the concerns say womo members free womo na ede womo say they should also get aduane mfiri won chen we nyina ya ade anopai ibinyamre ni ahwe obekọ e Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM na do comment e de ato e bekenkan ni nyina e de amount now the defense and interior on eba santimantem nye mantem nkwa they are going on the areas lockdown no ekoso no assess the impact. The parliamentary select committee on that now assess the impact as to how best sa lockdown we esiako and ase nc enkoye yebeko yeno na kwa kudin komo on assessment awaye won observations ene nchihia hodo a won eyeye no onsa etimiaka all these and other issues are pay yebetu eboase ni akani nyina nso ediabom akwanya wo hodema say etifo wonso ubetimi afre na wachewadwen at the right time say bibie me phone lines now wodi eno nso eto nchen yebekwa akwahwe na fe ya assess the various markets ewo mantamimu chese mpenifo edemra egu akwemu say it should be closed down said e be ya ibenya effective social distancing ewo mantamimu adwadi fodo do na ebu na egu so and indeed ade a adwen the city mayor and the regional minister and mpenifo do na esi form to ensure say obia e so dem raye adwuma no emra ne bitimi nso aye adwuma 11 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM ebekọ ahomasom na ya started discussions na fe ya interrogate all the issues on board yet me how best things are going but obitimi do adwen kira breme wo your Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM nana prempe ademra fanchebra assembly member Nana, good morning.
Good morning, Sofo Kofi.
Na bibi aboko there.
Sofo, Nyamia don't know how you power.
The Nyamia say lockdown. I hope you are enjoying.
Sofo want to hear the local downstairs because monitoring here can't be a day to day be no. You just get the point comply to and just say abandon the abano.
Okay.
Until we are still on field.
I see. Na offer more there now man for catch them.
So in fact, here as assembly members, no, they say you were in difficult times, because the man for will be outside on the park water will be no. Assembly man, I'm more here there. Assembly man, I'm more here there. There's enough more than a pa.
I see. Honorable Ponchiche Kukuru na so mumpe yokogari bine winche ma mumpe so e.
Go be near better. Yeah, quite assembly go be. He committed allowance ya jina 450 Ghana cedis.
Adai.
Bosumi nyina no committed allowance ya dema assembly member okumasi bia na 450 Ghana cedis.
I see.
So and the 450 kofi o de kwato ikoko no ana say yokogare no hotel na abenya na dia ma o manfo.
Ese munkofu ebi nso se jamo tonton sa se edigi kiosk ne ma ne benti mo fa ho didi nti ene
azama wonya so wonya ohina obeda ato azaze
ye kwa ho nsa se ne kiosk ton ye bibli de kra ese da fa
azama o bezo benya munyam na abeyeta
anyway but the since government abaya announce say or de enuanema the vulnerables wana enema ye de ma wo no minim say there are special directives as to when but concerns are about is KM assembly members will raise some serious issues on it. More how on a day.
So we made us an amentia in Jeffrey for and it to my men and animal more fantastic. Was in Shadi on or Munity and Monsieur Munina. The opinion say President now so say or the Adriane Bano. So the lady can Yama Punina Frey assembly member. na aduane na aban de aba no wai mo betenda ben and presiding member aye Honorable Stephen Ofori Efrayen ye ko hia no nkomodie ni nya akoye se eniema de kakra na ye de aba no omo ye so omo nkota no aye nadmofuo ene selected churches bi ene ye de ama omo so omo nkoche edina bra kofi ye hwe pressure e ba some members ye so a na wo be hia se ye beka won framo madaroma ase ye manfo nyina ase ye so mala eniema na aban che no enya some members so de biski ye eno ntini se wo pe bibia na wo betime hu MP awo constituency ana anabofo ana se that selected church na ye yiwo mo mpesu aso no nuko hu omo a emzo mbe change se omo de chedi ane no that go be ye ni se be ya pressure wo atame members so dada no ebi nsa meka ho edi efri se abai edi ano de aba no eye ebeboa ye manfo demom no na ye di hu ya kakra se wo pressure be ko from pa dia na ke efri se unit committee for ho asame members ho sebi na minister ba ko deputy minister of gender ka se empese be ya mayosem o pa mamu anya mayosem pa ba go vita ye district assembly no the decentralization no so share the aso for bi de bra me pete mu ofo na the ma committee for the church ni and ye kokko che na fefe mu obi anya bi and the go be concern ya ni say ye say ye manfo say ediane no ya fa me si asame members system and the be say manfo nyina say mo kwatata asame members so mo ba be je ediane na aban dia ba ye ka say nyina no.
Does it mean say all this one announcement ne buy nje mo no mo tata mo?
That go fi dey even an opaya before say me no be ka say me ya course be 5 every me areas will be a business as a man that be na mo be che biane no and I make a chance yes mo ya the announcement about 20 munti na nye enche ye nsem and the pressure dey be what you so far as some members.
Wow. Minim say for now, minim said not money some selected religious bodies and a lead, but muni any collaboration. I'm on number.
That will be so far. They will be for any collaboration. Because if even if it's not more selected religious bodies, go back from pa. Me na meet me at church. Say be a brewer wait here, a cocoa wait here, and also the committee for. And the near free say can be bisa because of but. Since and money bedroom or master distribution, Obesha MPs did because 1 money be on the rounds. As some members here involved. It is sanity.
MPCB and 1 money be caught out.
Oh, yes.
That means the MPCB no access and answer one cassa willingly no more your monso dear.
That was meaning say, Moses and communicating with MPs, no, the MPs not so involved.
Oh, I see. Members of Parliament, women are a lady, but not necessarily assembly members.
I
see. Nana, my main presiding member, Stephen Ofori, in Komono, ye KM presiding member. On one say, Assemblyman Ed Mamokum. Honorable Stephen, good morning.
Good morning.
Mona moye leaders of the assembly. Adewe na mona mutu ohun nkomobe na mone the local government, the gender ministry, and for stakeholders involved. Can say the beya mo betimi a pensisi ama situation.
Oh, you can me an kasa particular there and can no problem on you no. Nemo communication na anko mama ordinary electric now meters I have na e de be fraba ni no. E de pressure ke sia be trust members so. Wo na be bia wo sifiru ka ma na man for confront no no be bia no ye de baba den you say meanwhile we are not part of the distributing process. Enti na how no say omuma communication nko pom na timamfo no hunu ba bi kura bia na me free ba. Then ko say after no be bi kura ko bia na e de akogu ni dem na bibi. So then what me say one dem say. Yeah, how no one wo because who call various electoral areas now. They want pressure see what no business no. Obia expect am say atam ba na ko dia na de ba ama ba be cha mom. It's not the case. And you want a problem in now.
na sebia omo bisamo for directives. The fact is say NC mo so nche se muntimi coordinate amakum ye che wo amakum o ma start che hefa na on che no
minia I mean chim say e dia no kwa he pass watch dia no na pente kan wasem not before na che na eno no kwa ye kwa na ye assembly we are not privy to that information after how now we dey question ni
okay.
You get privy to information is saying now in Christianity, and I work with much ruby. Now, what you now, what you not saying. You demand to say by say not before that, as to say how, when, and if I will be any. Now, can the Nicotian Pana? Now, that's any Panano. This we are quiet now, be a into be without the assembly by the owner. Normally, they are the grassroots. You know, on be a winning. That's the situation this year.
Okay, presiding member, money the city mayor all the time. Money regional minister, you have access to all these penifwing. At the end of months, I catch them.
The nation say, Nantana, you know, at the end of the day, and I know a friend Bowman as a Joanna baby, the channel from on the party. That was the information demand. Engineer and upon I sorry, and I'm not friend of the said, I require baby. Na best capture action na me nti share wo ho ti ya jeje no na na the information started to flow from also the can book one minute asore no after ko ya won share ni ade that was apart from that no you nya any formal communication bia from any court say planet here bia apply program say that here say as we speak bia ka ango and me no me nya forehand information and me to media the grassroots people say planet here na pa na that's the whole thing.
I understand information. I'm happy to say the Mayor Ephraim. Am I right? So also Mayor Ephraim.
That is 7 o'clock in the evening.
Okay.
The next morning, I need to know the I need information about it. It needs to be our terminal, not actually need visa. Or mommy young committee to the
Duani ayanu ana se mua bag business animal. Maminya the picture.
Be a more 5 kilo rice no.
Okay.
And I do share the Ombenwa. Ombenwa process and someone and one is to the minimum only.
I see. With this consent, see I'm wedding.
Oh, me yeah, see me clear my phone with a Diana Yachano, and yeah, in Salum. Sabe and Shema for better and say, Abia. Obi bet ma report bia e bia na ba na wo na bo wa kwaji bi na bia ye de bia so so kine pese ma timamfo na tete e bia na chimi no enye asam members na share nta abandi abana kwem no not bono na mpene fo yi wo no omo na e bia na share na if any case kwa na mo so bia na share mo za bia mo so mun trim out na mo me chemi te o ye kwa na say meeting na mo so mo kwanto share ntu dia publicly na so obi so be nya bi kwa fo no so mo bia oba one now we leave it to the assembly just so any information no that's our problem.
I see. Because then yeti nipa kugu makion just say ye cheduani kiti afi makion do na babontiso wono de omunya cheduane yeti yezu Ghana card kura unkure bia ye nche a whole lot of
exactly our point. Na nipa na mo ye kwotete bi na ashe montano announcement ban na another radio station no ko expect e beji wana I want to be out. I'm a church women can go for 90 pounds to want to take because they can, you see, the needy and then the vulnerable. That will be I expect them. And something matter information in our banner to be so what I should for now. No, you're playing to them, not the mobile to another because I was a member who Baru Bishao, no Buta, one of the other, no, yeah, as if who can be out to know what the
when now expect to say or Mumrabon Timechi, behind for.
And the number and other institutions there, that's almost no. More about what the right information make my call on air. I actually much for so be not before you know by the number because you'll be at my woman able to say, and I only manage your happen. Body said much of someone need money there. What prevents you from giving us that information? Is there any funds there? Obi or when you be at the as go by the cry or the menu. No, so to mark this animal.
Now, Nana. Okay. Presiding member, Stephen Ofori, Osansi Assemblyman for Amakum. I'm grateful for no pay me be near Santon Safro.
That's all so much.
Achieve for Inajo. So 23 minutes past 7. Live on Nhyira 104.5 from. You didn't come on pay some consensus assembly members Zadia about abai near or de ma one mobile. Wana woni bi wana ekom de wo mo na assembly members say wo mo de aduane no nyo mo na eche nti manfo I de pressure eto on so no. Let's get it as that. 24 minutes past 7 you go so a ye din komo and ye need move for bekasa omo na in charge of aduane no nhihye ne say ye ne the authorities bidding komo ye ne the various assembly MC Zenin penifo de da no bekasa. I believe they are also involved as to nhihye ben and the wo edemasa aduane no ane ne che ne ton ne bi chihye nyina no ye benyamre ne ye nyantiase enso ewo ho. I mean, kind messages kakra aba our Facebook page Aaron Renard Aqua say in Katia and want to come to power or Madda no Nana Minta. The general is making sense. How do you assess the rate of infection without daily tested result? You accumulate the result and later choose how many to announce it at your convenience politically. And yadia ebeboa mpacho okoye Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM. Now also odo comment edi about now a lot of messages Jane Amadiok. It's the truth. The MP are cooking, sharing in my area. Asabi. Oh, I see. Eba konya kwa share the MPs and we do the MPs are taking advantage of mumna eche and they are sharing. Emmanuel are there. Hello, I'm Ima from Obuasi. Have you seen the NDC? Asirin Ketia is asking how are we going to identify the poorer and give the food? When Nanado gave free SHS to all Ghanaians, he said some people can afford to buy for the awards. Propaganda everywhere. And so, no. Kingsley Abuaji Kofi, Asirin Ketia hate us. Okay, no, I don't think this is the best message I can read. I'm sorry. Abena Eniwa Joyce, brother Kofi, morning to you and greetings to my mom, Ajua Abrefi, and all my family at Kokoso. Okay. Also, de Abanono. Agatha from Pont Ewo Amsterdam must say no one is giving food to anyone, but if they see three people working together, they will be attracted. May God help Ghanaians. Some of us are not grateful. Anyway, 26 minutes past 7. Live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Deputy Regional Nadmo Director Antimage. Antimage, good morning. Antimage, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Kofia Sante Nhyira FM ni bibi aboko de.
Awurade adumo na monso e.
Nyame adom. Ene de mo na aban ayi mo se monchiche nuane a president editu dwama wona niam mo aye de ama mo ebreti se yimu.
Me tia otiefo nyina. Se no. The akobane se omo no aduane ni wi a district Kro no 14 na lockdown affect wo mo baby a ye wo nadmo director wo enti wo mo no aduane ni wi a na nadmo director no afu krofo no wo makohwe akokan attest ahwe na yedi kan so ansan ye benu aduane yedi kan ko community na wo mo wo ho no a wo mo entimi anya aduane ne no eko ene wo mo leaders ehia etro wo mo dodo edada enti that director na wo sa constituency no na district no wonim baby a wo se wodi nuane no eko dada eti wo mu no awia na wafa na dmofo ni bia ka ho ya assemblies no ye se wo mu ma ye ka nti wo ma me ma ye ka na wo mu de aduane na gu na wo mu de ko na wo mu de akoma wo mu a wo mu hia
nti san hihye na moye sa nti sa wo se omo no aduane na ho anom na no aduane no
oh ye yi enipa wɔn no aduane no so yayi baby a se swame a wɔn no a entra swame if is a swame wo ebi wo ho ofori kurom enipa ni bi wo ho nti wo no a na mofo no kofa wɔn ebeche no wo ofori kurom ho a dagomba la ene teacher say enya ade ebetra akoba bi senhia so a wɔn beche no nhia so ho a sana ya hyehyɛ no ofori kurom for example na keme for example ehemfa na mo chere na mo de aduane type be na mo che na mo ye de hu se we ka ho we won ka ho ena me di kan e ka kire o se ansa na ye be start anu aduane no
mo di kan ko the specific areas a mo di so mo hia
akohia wo mo leaders
ehemfa na ezi a ofori kurom mo ko ye na ehemfo na mo ne wo mo kasa yi
ofori kurom ye ko dagomba line
okay
Jafo eka ho on said dagomba line no ewo mahudo obeme ensa kora ho nyina ye koye on say efan so ya sokore mampon ho nyina sokore mampon fo so ba ho akotia line say Bombay rains nche ho ye koye ye ko Kumasi children's home chese ye ko baby decham so ye ko apeja hene so ya chese ya kokoko ohun atro ya list no kura obia so
na telephone number 0800800800800 yese obi hia bia onfre mpato eba besi mo ho ana se ebesi national ya direct dia by region
say no sa number no ebi wa region eti se wo fra ebesi no o ma frɛ not move no and ye community anope enti wo mo fra ye on beka say ya fra ye se ha wo mo hia bi eti ya de beko
enti ankwankra timi fra na wo mo de akwa makoma nana
enye ayikaya yo efo nko a ye kan obi wo hokro wo dan dem so nanso
eni memo ayede aman
nokura no etin eni pasa no nyina aka ho disabled for eni ayinto obi anura say social welfare for a buy into one by a status famenta no more ye bi wo ho mo ko ho e ko GB social welfare for ba say wo mo hia bi ko ma enkrofo bi wo ba ye ma wo mo ko ho e ko GB e de ko ma
assembly members say wo mo for mo nim wo mo manfo no manfo man ka ho wo mo nim se de musi che no
say ye kan not money one what community wow meboa
but onim what to say assembly member
and I make say adeno ba foforo no ho mo kan say yenko wo mo hia mo ano na yenko trotro wo mo dinti ye ko trenti assembly member bi edimu say we ho kire no eno ane say wo beka ye de beka akoma no enti anya bia eden
but omo frefre wo mu no ade na mu no omo enlidi enkambum
okay ene wonso de wo kan no say wonso de aduna benti me yesia ye pefе ho asem na yaka
I see but for now ne wo kan nyina ne say mo dikan identify bia mo de aduane ko apart from that obi friend number so peduane na come din wo fia ne nsa beka entesa
me pacho
mo ya de yakosi ebreben
say lockdown no ho
okay
enunti ene ye saade no nti lockdown no e break dia sene wo bia betimi abeye na dwuma so na ye jai eti lockdown no ho dia ene ye benua ye bekoso aye nduane na akosi say lockdown e be break
I see. Antima Gay, Deputy Director, the Ma Santa Region, Nadmo, na yenino ekasa, ni pesi nya understanding, eduane ayeche. Ntimpacho eduane no more eduane type bene oho.
Ye be jollof plain rice, banku, any fish, any mako, dokono, awachi, ebi ye bayiram pesi, tini nyina frafra. enye aduane baako ena da bia ye
okay ti aduane type bia
wo a wo pɛ mo no na waji wo a wo pɛ wo pɛ plain rice wo a pɛ jollof bia bia pɛ sa
okay mame ne MC Edema Asukore Mampon honorable Wale du Sedu ni nkom honorable good morning na bibi aboko there so far oho almost start ya che na nipa dodo be se no monsa kan waduani
Ofi asen we mu frɛ Nadmo fo na me omo kasa am say me aboyi
me original Nadmo director ni a deputy director gina so na me pese me nya because assembly members are confused and they are being worried say o man fo ni say wo mo ebejeduane e pese yehu say mo assembly ni so no mo chefen wo adwuma ni mu ne e ti say
ye we ye me mo ma
Kofi Nadmo for so to maintain wobi
okay
ye the idea ba ne ka se nipa so masi obenten wona wo na sabi me so me leader e community wo na ampani ampa se nipa bi wono ma omunye bi ntimi bi ani mu akwakope bi ama wo mu akofi se gosi wa wo gobi me MC enso de wa ni afan be ti mi so ma bani no se ya gana yina papa wo so ya mampusi ni o ya dagombe ni o ya achimi ana so ya santini no ono osho obi aso enti anfa koma MC ma obi a o ya CPP ni ana NDC ni ana se PPP ni nka se e wo MC wonti me kokora me san kanti me nko anu sunti wo se me de ma sofo ni Nadmo no mo ye adwuma no CPP fo wom NDC fo wom MPP fo wom sana ya sofo so obi ni wo enti omo nenche Kofi we no ya dia anke e baba boa amu obi ehun se enye partisan enu ntina me MC ya fa me obra no mambo wa
okay
me mambo wa assembly member wa na mom said ye me say me position I won pa na se Kofi metumi aka chon o nipa bi so wa ase wo mo so mo pedi 2000 assembly members o no 18 kwan another 18 kwan chom say oh the committee we dey yesu me so me o me krofo bi o mo wo your friend saying mantemu wa electoral area anase say oka o mo betumi akwakoye Kofi de ye nyina no ye bewie no omo a ya bo won din de ne ma na ba no be show report de aba me MC me da se mi di e kire se de isi omo de ba ya no e ya ampa report no de ba na sa na ye ya na me mum check up na se MC bi ana se ye MPB debi o ma tani se ye yi e won free mu o ye party chairman o ye party youth organizer we a party one your MC na we ana MP yes won kan
ma alido yes MPC bi nso no aduane ni bi to ma misa antemage
papa
mo de aduane bi am MPC na omo nso no abi aboa mo ana
ya pa mo chel MPB anu aduane wo mo cheche ese ofori kurumu a mo no adudu se na wo mo na no MP no aduane se de ayi Honorable Alidu Ekano Omampeli Nana Danko Ekufuado Wono wapese Ghana nyina aka bomu wono no what a partisan kura bemwa ni bube fu papa enunti no say party ya hom free hon na assembly my obi anim say we ye MPP ni we ekudi no e confuse wono so won pe entity mu ya de na apa no ye nyina ye pese ye din kabomu ene oto na ye de eku esiasa ai yadi kutia sa yadi
no okay
MPP new NDC new ye nyina ye nipa baako
okay
na na say one fancy party ni bia so enti na na modie Abaya Jumayefo, CPP for MPP for Yenina Yafra. So,
okay.
Yeah, to Mano. It is a way assembly member. Now we hear Pia. And no one is who friend us move for to say, Honorable Ali to try. As I have said, yet the amount. At the end of Dawson, yes, what when you nanya come up and what when you and free warm, Naya Nanya on near to Mano, and more man gun.
Okay. Until I give it that say Isaac is sure that was a Brakofi. I tell you for a fact that nobody has come to Junase to register anybody. I am a carpenter apprentice and I've not eaten for this. Come Demipa. Yes.
Assembly Bia was social welfare and community development office.
Okay.
Uzi another and I'm social welfare. Wouldn't say any maybe on what maybe I was to be and not what the who knew a woman that I buy you my ababa data about Bibia. But we are here, Brenna, national, but we are better. The two people between when come over near the account as women.
Okay.
Also, the understanding is that so many people whose idea we now about no one has two of us say, yes, and if you know that, one shall only have great data.
Okay.
If you say that my data, some as you say, I have wouldn't say about you. The pressure blower too.
Yeah.
Party for up. As you be an party was
okay.
No, because they Chacha attracted Miti, made the death of Binam, what you be. The party was at the bear. The other chance said the idea. Now the down who fought to say, or mine, no, some up to yen, or mine, that now, no. You know, yes, so be answered. Into our thinking our party, the best how Mamma into no, yeah, side.
Okay. Okay, a little mamma and a prempel more raising concerns in common some understanding, say, be a man antiasia. Nana, would tear and Temagay and MC, I feel my okay.
Yeah, that will be,
yeah.
Now, what I lead you? What's the way I family member pay as I MC?
Yeah.
And I change pandemic here, a situation that will be unpleasant with it. But I'm really disappointed with the comment they're making. So I know MC now more and you quite family member more. Because I say later area better MC in your Mama. Sometimes MC no present their family members. But when it comes to their family now, presiding the head of their family.
I need to miss more than money landing. Nana Prempe, Utie and Temagi, or Sister Moo Bibia, Moonfre.
Nana Prempe,
Nana Prempe, Nana Mapato, Mamintelli, I lead in Pacho Maminti.
Nana Prempe, yes, sir. Subject in community will be more obituary. What's my assembly member? Yes, and this I'm a few baby. I'm a baby. Sabi assembly members who say a cat at the BBA the Amawa pressure beba also no a baba also. Now, Prempe, ain't he say a bassa noa? What mindful and I may now mindful no. You better one to say, oh, baby, I no. Nippers that you are being tailed so more intino. Mo guamu na mindi mwani miye kwa jimra best hano wukwanu yekifando me kasa sebi MC imbo wanti ma san member mbo wa na me say na what ya cha wo de because that means why you be there is an area edukum me assembly member wa edukum but me the DSC edukum I have to be there. But what I'm saying is that Abba say yeah shekwa the first one manage. Because you see the Jawanet as well as a leader. And you be on a bay out there. Me, and you be on a bay a bay. Then, yeah, Uncle Bay, yes, you. Yet you have to see assembly so. If you see assembly soon, I empty letters automatically, as I'm never at the bench. After saying, no, I go below.
Now, yeah, as assembly members, no, okay, in the area, no, you can say, no, in MC Ambo and Timbo, Mr.
Okay, may I say, I think we need to wrap up the discussion. Nana Prempa, I think, sir, Antimagi said, some more here behind the man for no. Ofra, I'm the bad
So the building, I know what you speak me. You can't say here, but the near can you see a man for the years.
Yeah.
Of course, about family members, so no. Yeah, that's almost there. Or more could be that book. And the selected religious body. And the answer almost that. And the same man for you say, course, about family members, so no. These are the areas of one channel too. But just well.
Okay.
Okay. I know you call around security and your more years, man. People look at the friend and say, my friend, my guest, or more come on, my dear, my friend. But just well. But the best actually say, and your man, and you associate your mouth for a prayer, no, the best normal. Because dog of the AK will be for about coming to know and find your young commander, Rebecca say. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Nana Medase, I don't know. Yeah.
Let's just over statement now. You are disappointed in Honorable Ali, you know. MZ say, what is the make and I say? I want to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Based upon that,
I hear. May that say, Elidu Bedase, Antimage Bedase, Antimage, or Nipebi, I be almost so, I want you on my ever frame, Monco Boamo, Ebesan Safre, because I was a young already, Manfo be free, and be an omen from Tebe from Amon Somako, Akosha for Namae. Better must say. Antemage, a deputy director, the regional Nadmu. Siesta, Nana Prempe, Maza, you made honorable Apanchi a sharing cuckoo for his people. So go and do the same. Maza, stop bringing confusion. Rocky, Nyavi, we don't need any cooked food. Farbro near Noya, you will just honorable Rasakito, Kovi. Who are NADMO coordinators? Are they not appointed by their political affiliations? The woman must give us a break. How can you share food for needy without inclusion of assembly members? Anyway, talented Francis is lucky that he has found that he can sell and still waiting for food to be delivered to him. Wow. He is not serious. Anyway, I think a branch now offers a Edianena only did 3 days. No, say who are phone now they tested, but my brother, what the other phone here, what the idea for me. 43 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Bet me a Facebook page. Na wa my enya consensus. Manfo be brain. And from Enray no more friend, Eduane no yatis aban che eduane o. Well, we assist na yebema and that move for no my nka. Omo original office. Matimi aboa na kakra onso ebe onsa beka no na wetimi enya wodi enso edi. Well, me ba sisia na me ba ebenyamre na yahwe na fe yedi nkomo na ya discuss other issues na eneme nyina etimi akoso. Okay. No, ma menkomra. Okay. Me ba sisia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi bia.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Vanguard for na soldier force special what?
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough. The nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost nyina mene. in so piece on the economy management will be out. John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the same now inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Ghana for Sena, at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosubane meja paye entishia mosomfo eduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho eduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now,
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Your number one account radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada Anopebia Ebono Nsia Pausima Edwana Ekosi Nonswa Yatuni di Premier Sports Sanso ene ewia Yetnasi biem Anopa Nonkono Ebo Pausima Edwana Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso Yatuni di Power Sports na fe Nomiensa Ekosi no 9 enoso Yatuni di Playoff na yede Memeda de enso ede asomo so don hwemiensa ena Memeda bia yetnasi free anopa nonkono ekosi ewia dumienu dwumadie ho chiame
nsam de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba ejumadi me bright kan kambodu
kwabena obe afie OB twice
it happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say born here bebo
Christian edu say
what he say on the premise in also just the boss ko say that is on kobi. Yes
amana nsem na eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and na Najman but modia said the bia o message program way na the global show. Your number one account radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada Anopebia Ebono.
Good morning.
Pacho Kofi Asante Nhyira FM ni bibia aboko de.
Awurade adumo na monso e.
Nyame adum. Ene de mo na aban ayi mo se mo nchiche nuane a president editu jama wona nieme mo aye de ama mo ebre tise mu.
Me tia otiefo nyina. Say no. Dia akoba ne se omo no aduane ni wi a district Kro no 14 na lockdown affect wo mo no bia ye wo NADMO director wo enti wo mo no aduane ni wi a na NADMO director no afu Krofo no wo makohwe akokan attest ahwe na yedi kan so ansan ye benu aduane yedi kan ko community na wo mo wo ho no a wo mo entimi anya aduane ne no eko ene wo mo leaders ehia etro wo mo dodo edada enti that director na wo sa constituency no ana district no wonim bebia wo se wodi nuane no eko dada eti wo mo no awia na wafa na dimofo ni bia ka ho ya assemblies no ye se wo mo ma ye ka nti wo ma me ma ye ka na wo mo de aduane na gu na wo mo de ko na wo mo de akoma wo mo hia
Nti san hihye na maye sa nti sa o se omo no aduane na hwanom na no aduane no
oh yi enipa wo mo no aduane no so yi babia se swame a wo mo no a entra swame if is a swame wo ebi wo ho ofori kurum enipa ni bi wo ho nti wo no a na mofo no kofa wo mo ebeche no wo ofori kurum ho a dagombala ene teacher say enya ade ebetra akoba bi senhia so a wo mo beche no nhia so ho a sana ya hyehyɛ no Fulcrum, for example, na KMA, for example, him fan na mo chere na mo de aduane type be na mo che na mo ye de hu se we ka hu we won ka hu Ena me di kan eka kire wo say. Ansa na ye be start anu aduane no.
What the kan for the specific areas amudi so mu hia.
Akohia wo mu leaders.
Ehemfa na ezi a ofurukuru mu koye na hemfo na mo ne wo mu kasai.
Oh, ofurukuru ye ko Dagomba line.
Okay.
Ejafo eka ho. On said Dagomba line no e wo ma hudo oba me ensa kora. Eho nyina ye koye. On say e fan so e ya sokore mampon. Eho nyina sokore mampon fo so ba ho. Akotia line say Bombay rains in ho ye koye. Ye ko Kumasi children's home. Chese ye ko baby dechamo so ye ko apeja hene so ye chese ya kokoko ohun atro ya list no kura obia so
na telephone number 0800800800800 yese obi hia bia onfre mpato eba besi mu ho anase ebesi national ya directed by region.
Oh, say no sa number no ebi wa region eti se wo fra ebesi no o ma frɛ not move no ena ye community anopai enti wo mo fra ye on beka se ya fra ye se ha wo mo hia bi eti ya de beko
enti ankrankrati mi frɛ na mo de akwa akoma nana.
Oh, enye eyikaya yo efo nko a ye kan obi wo hokro wo dan dem so nanso
eni memo ayede ama no
kura no eten eni pasa no nyina aka ho disabled for eni ayi nto obi anura say social welfare for a buy enti wo mo buy status famenta wo mo ye bi wo mo ko ho ekọ GB social welfare for ba say wo mo hia bi ko ma enkrofo bi wo mo buy ye ma wo mo ko ekọ GB e de ko ma
assembly members say wo mo wo fo mo nim wo mo manfo no manfo man ka ho wo mo nim say de musi che no.
Oh, say ye kan not money wono what community wa o meboa
but onim hot say assembly member o
and I mean say adeno ba foforo no ho wo mo kan say yenko wo mo hia moa no na yenko trotro wo mo dinti ye ko trenti assembly member bi edi mo say wo yi ho kire no a eno ane say wo beka ye de beka akoma no edi anya bia eden
but omo frefre wo mo no ade na mo no wo mo enlidi enkambum.
Okay, and ye won so de wo kan no say won so de agraba enti me ye sia ye pefe ho asem na yaka.
I see. But for now, near working nyina ne say more the kind identify bia mo de aduane ko. Apart from that, obi friend number so peduane na come din wo fia ne nsa beka ente sa.
Me pacho.
Mo ya de akosi ebreben.
Oh, say lockdown no ho.
Okay.
Nti ene ye saade no nti lockdown no e break it ya. Send ye will be able to me abeye na dwuma. So na ye jai. It lockdown no ho there. Ene ye benwa ye be koso aye aduane na ko si say lockdown e be break.
I see. Antima Gay, Deputy Director, the Ma Santa Region, Nadmo, na yeneno ekasa, ni pesi nya understanding, eduane ayeche. Ntimpacho eduane no more eduane type bene oho.
Oh, ye be jollof wom, plain rice, wom, banku, any fish, any mako, dokono, wom, awachi, wom, be a bayram pesi, tini nyina frafra. Enye eduane ba ko ena da bia ye.
Okay. Ti eduane type bia.
Wo pe mo no na waji. Wo pe plain rice, wo pe jollof. Bia.
Ne dia mo.
Bia pe sa.
Okay. Mamene MC Edema Asukore Mampon. Honorable Wale du Sedu Ninkom. Honorable, good morning.
Morning, baby.
Na bibi aboko there. So far, almost start here na nipa do drop ese no munsa kan waduani.
Ofi asem we mu frɛ nadmo fo na me o mo kasa. Am say
Me original Nadmo director ni a deputy director Jinaswa. Now me pese minya because assembly members are confused and they are being worried. Say one man for say one more ebejediane. Ye pese you say more assembly nso no mo chefe wo adwuma ni mu ne e tse.
We ye memo. Man
Kofi. Nadmo for so to maintain
okay.
Yeah, the idea ba near Casse Nipa Sumasi or Benton 1 away. Na Sabi, name some ye leader, our community. Na Anthony and Pass, and you could be on a more moon, being to me, any more Copedia or more. Could we say, which you are? Will it me empty? And so they were any I found the so. How much you know say? You're gonna be like Papa. So we are man pushing we are the woman, we are chimney and as all our Santino. Or no, or should be also. In the avant command MC, Emma will be our CPP and
enhwe na yehwe social distancing but yen kwa maso na yene Henry Osakoto wose o observe issues bienu miensa ewo nuane a ye chemu wo furukrum na opese discuss with Henry maybe abako there
na me adugo bobi
and then also furukrum pesha so when ye twa so a opese masuti
yo Kofi edika mamincha ene watifu nyina insha na sabre so I observe partial lockdown so yentia omo music nyina no pe Kofi anope ma observe meti nkomo amudi nyina wo aduane ho yampa aduane akoye adinya sese pa wo yempote nyina na me let me say it and me from Baufukum constituency ni mo Kofi enra and then 3 days you know my phone and not I'm not talking to you obi a wo free is acting up again now the chair ye ewo nadmo ma me antimagi na and me chair the assembly members ni omunyina na the chair say Kofi ade no problem na e from assembly members nipa are the people who will be able to identify the real people come di omo potemu Antimagimu should be calling the assembly members before they enter any electoral area because nipano I want for no come do my assembly members no me kwa me think am here parliamentary candidate for a party bi no me kwa here frame so and then 3 days so and be send information bomb so area nim say amayokubi no aduane che man for through the assembly members maybe masa problem for the free the man mesre amayokubi enya sika na so office oba no aduane asembo no for mesre no in distribution always say because of amayokubi no aduane ne kofuma wa ha kofo na wo letter yes na na se mpotemu no bedwen se kwa masa amayokubi no ho kwa nkofo ebasa na de ni breba ebiem wosu idea aduane ne ma o se koche no baby a wo je filo ka kire on se na wo ko kwa koche because say onu so wo do iko no nipa na expect say onu no enye kala bia ida MPP na NDC onu do ni man say aduane bia ba say aman say enkinti onu anytime on be here say ye aduane but they know that it's part of the president's order now or kind no Kofi what you say
Henry, so there's nothing wrong with it. We are aspirant. Yeah, now so person so what's wrong with
the information is NRA MPP for it's a women's organization ayebiane eche ema wonko for ewo botemunumbi na ekoban se binimu enye bi of course again enso bia
okay
I'm not against it but yenhwe kwan e be fa so aye be sa de na enkofa pintin but that is my worry okay me can hu bi se ba se me yi bia me can hu bi but e futu amede ma say Yeah, me say kwanya be pass why be change ane no in US no when it's coming from a particular color be.
Okay.
This are encopa problem member.
Okay. Henry, me that say yeah.
To end it no. Govi.
Yeah, me too.
Govi to end it no am say mo. E Ghana here do tumu no so no. It's a be worry.
Okay.
Though they are not observing the social distance, but they are here. They say in Kwasi for no being and Kumasi there is your mama. The area go fit. Me no na be kaka no. You could be Kwasi ko to there Kwasi ne bi ni ato.
Okay.
Because the nana can Kwasi. Me say mo. Let's see how we manage the information. As you say no. You bet my kaka kaka. Anya say be do baby no ko pia ho be kire pa.
I remember that my member of parliament the more for Krum the issue much of venerable. Your much of venerable individuals our constituency here the nhihye and the member of parliament or for fulcrum or cheduane de ama ne ma na onso ebidi den eja tameshi papa ye ni nkomo awukudi kan statement free assembly no ho aba kme omo aye with colors kwan edwedi for ba bi didwa and papa and so observe is it papa market banner home picture
yes Roman Hill esani akọ down ho na dia akọ baby on se dwa bi wo Roman Hill down baby Draman
okay
fence rural bank no
okay
down ho na ho na di dwa bi wo ho ntia say ho na dwa di fo
man after center market no
na kugwa kufiem se videos no ufi bia aro
but let's state it say the password can Ghana for needs. I did why one more year 17 and penny for years. I don't understand that for a for the crown catcher or more catcher said, dear man, penny in so a dear nest. I don't send you get Pamo. What must say, or more how near to Eddie? Say, me Tim terms, many papa, Sababy a tea. Na ma Kofi Asante metena Kofi Asante ba na okasem Kofi Asante mentena mfimfin ha no de ne neme na si okay ma mene member of parliament edema ofurukrum eninta Emmanuel Manfo doctor bibi aboko de
oh onyame ntumi ntie ye o
mete won ka che
no kre so anim se yi na nsande ne ya na parliament yes suspended no anadia ya safre yen amra just adwuma no baby a o mine do no obia o wodwumedi bidi efa especially emergency situation ayenya no oni adaje
enhihye be na eja ban de ba ya wonso de foaso wona mobro wafo ewo mpetwa so the vulnerables omonso betimi anya bibi kakra na ade apodwen as MP wa identify on na den na moye de aboa.
Oh, so on a private, me as a person, they buy a mechanism. Just they be no sikabie no one say if me ho ani obi fra woni no osimetri am frefri anwoma so de me ne me yire ne me mabedi nya de ekra minya obi fra osimieku ani na wa per 50 bi akoma na wa per 100 bi na wa per 50 tie no dey on that line no no na ye gusua ye boboa ye friend say wo mo kwan hihia mu kakra de ya ho de betumi me gidi say aban so effort ni nyina no mo nyina ma ho de aban eya o de boa efa aduane aye no ama omo ayi omo ye omo ho kire omo ani emo ni ma aban so teacher through churches near mosque near them and also the problem I want data what who say ya mai mu say you can be a vulnerable say the bruni kanu na ubia ya fan say when ka say ehia no ana say oyo bia owa hu hia mu pa wanyi bibia ma no a ne kwakura betime finisa na bra boss betino sa data no ya na yeni enti ubehwe no na fe ubekuro bi na so pe hwan na ye vulnerable la nipa bebrezi o emerewafo obu oso ya berewa boga oya brewa su bi abusumi remittance ebi ane mane ne nanam bibre no kra no echen wo kra bi a wo ba betena studio a wo ye adwuma enti ye beka se wo de wo nye vulnerable ne mo abrewa ne ye vulnerable enti the time bi wo a when the ye vulnerable no kra no ye nyanya data etimi kire yen se we na ye vulnerable na we nye vulnerable eno nti na ma se se duane a omuchi caterers HK minim se nadmofo any social welfare for our assembly no and a guided process no so AG as to say omukra no data na omu use no credible no class no another thing. Indeed, that is the main problem. I mean, who say, this difficult class you cry by intervention because you see, I may ban me see me cry. Sikaka kra na me person me de beboa omwa ehia omo vulnerable. Obi aka na obi abeka so vulnerable. Otia say to the extent to say onko adwuma nko baby sukra na ono de o savings ana ono kra de obetime nyamwa bi o baby eti hwan mu pa na omo ho kire wo mu a sese ya me so mo asene a omo ankasa enkwan ana say omo abrabo no ebeto from kra sa information no the ye komu man atwinya adwen asisu say sese ye hwe na sa ne man information no yetimi egada ni send be ya bibi say si a wuni dansia na me ba be che emo e ama people with disability so me be che mo na man people with disability me pray assembly representative wo hono ono kra no onu kwa nim all the disabilities enti no kakra bia onu nim a omo aba assembly ho aba register no ena obetumi ayeden apteke omudin amame as to say he fan no omutekra no as a sending in ano betumi nya sa information send e be ya o ade na o ye no obetuma targeting ye so eti a challenge but said the American no as and when obi beba no obeka na asem no na your friend is say the obetumi aye no na waya ma no.
Anyway, and mwanya chefe bi wasa nadmu official ni aninimu MPs monso monwe bi ana
dabi dianene de purely state institutions the relevant institution no me say omo are engage caterers bi and omo no awia na task force there's a district task force social welfare NADMO I think so and I'm say 1 or 2 you clergy be almost task force be almost na because almost data no NADMO ni district social welfare for no or at least almost idea of a bia nipa bia almost register no almost.
Too bad, line no dream. But anyway, we are done with the MP. For Kro member of Parliament, Dr. Manfo, Dr. Emmanuel Manfo, and Mote say and any ding common line not drop it, but we sorry. I think yeah, we now the point no Timia Miki do now pesoka. 12 minutes past 8. Live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. But therefore, ubetimi edo message abrayen ewo yen line yeso yen una voice note line na yetimi abo at the right time na wonso wachira wadwen won komo a yedie no ho but in the meantime euku be ma yen enya enhyehye ne krata the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly the babonten ekwan adwedifo no mfa so nidwa na fei onipa binum a omo ebusa emra no so a other areas yebesre yen yeyedie yenhwe na yema you know, you're discipline, you're more discipline, you're problem. So, and I think that the empany for you now, let's avoid the issue. Say, yes, although if you want to and I don't think, sir, it will be of the best for us. And take
voice note kakraba and yebenyamre na fe ya share with all of us na wonso wa ye part oku maminya enhihye assembly no de aba
kofi ni nyina ne se sisi ano kemefo mpanyimfo womuni edwadifo mpanyimfo no kire ahemafo na nkasa ekohia ye emre koba ne se Dr. Mensa edwane yatum no edwadifo dodo na no sanso mo ho ba Central Market ebi nso ko bantema ebi nso ko race course mo ko bo pace wo ho entina fe de social distance na ye ka no obi anu observe biem when person nyonko ebeja space na we jan space to na we aba be ho.
Okay,
so what is the way forward? There na ebe ya asade we to betwa okay eni edwane Central Market ya close no mumie nyina entrance ne ento ato adwene to moto ato adwene mu se no se ya run shift system na ebeboa ye beti mu be ya miensa ye doso Central Market mu doso pa kofi se enei ye se aduanefo se wo kɔ baabi de se bantama dwam wo kɔ baabi te se race course na wo kɔ edwa wo do swami na wo hu se ni dwadifo no egu opa nwanwa otum se yes edwadifo no omo mu di dwasisi ana omo doso eti kofi se ne beboa ne se ye ya ne ye de Ghana colors ya na aye ebia ene green for mbeba adetia na gold for maba.
How do you identify as a green?
And human for no
ID cards.
Okay,
my ID card. I'm a good phone in. Oh, that's good.
And to win more card. And a human for no soon LED. It just also more into him. I will have him. Yeah, one LED to him crop for.
Okay.
And I know until say, Kofi Ababua papa, if he says, oh, fee Ebia race course. And I also be Central Market.
No cracker.
The bear identify as a crash. I won't can.
As a Ghana near you. So I do bit to crack a Yama.
Oh, I want to say, Omono, I will unique way. Aha, and I almost offer unique way on the IRD.
Okay.
That how only been now so before air comes this year.
Okay.
Swami Jadifo and Mreba say you're close to Dr. Mensano. Kufumuni na ko bope so swami.
Okay.
Na wo hwe swami kwanu ho na wo fa hontino. Na bote. And it is here no swami so matum. Omo so mo pemeje sa omo so betu sa na mo ni bi.
Okay.
Kofi me shada ko fa swami dwam ho. Na wo ko dwam ho ase ho na areho sem ne say obi ante ho.
No me na aba kwana no.
Kofi edwanu mu da ho. Edwanu da honti Bobi ansa MC no ho no nukrani Dr. Bobie anamo na wo to sisi an Kofi kama efi se edwomu ni na ada ho abrekwanu ho na dwadifo na ba begu adan a wo mo se
ho na nipa na ba
hu ntam
we are say
edi se be kwa kwese dwom ho na me se wan kwana na obi amade
na se mu nyina mo kodwom ha
se ko so e beba ho
nipa beba ho
obi se dwadifo no so wo mo se pata na nye dia Ankrofobi na adije no makwa kwatena fie ana MC ama utumi se wo de kwana kwatena bim se me ba se nipa ne ba na oso ope ho na brana beka tem se asemasisi waba wo se ho ene de enti wo ma mentena ho enti si a measure sampanfo na tekini se shops a ya lock ni nyina no nkobububu ani omo de nafuo bi esi wo se brana beka sa ha ye media se shops ne ya wo de shop we ya wo de no abasa ha ye media me ye fram ya wuku abrese na meto ye na me de me document ni na kire ni ebusa die enti ana wo tifie na wo medi dwa wo ho ana die enti na wo mfa pata no so mo obi opese obedi dwa na wo te ho no ma ye san se ni na me
de phone voice notes line 0244 320 564 pacho obetimi the voice note about very very brief ma okasa bibia okabia enye decent in fact didi enye kasa twitwie na wa kire wadwen komo ayede nyina ho 0244 320 564 na watimi ama yate wonka
Kofi adeba konso so a ofa krom a obehu ne nne ene ahunidie se ohwe ba bi te se adum sane keme fompanfo amahwa ye fe okofa kajetia sane asi amahwa ye fe a ye besere ye maamenom ye besere mu sha asia kwa akodi dwai ade ba ko a problem ba ko pe nya e pa wo Dr. Mensa ne eyefi Kofi sane maamefo no pake bola pa guom containers na se omudi guom wura na se no ene gatas mu no awreho enti ye besere so munya akonya no so mko akodi dwani biemu de a efisi ade ba ko ye osasi bantwi ne dadwene pa no yesere omo maintain ho ye omo se omo tuato na kemi fo ne mepra e ma that day no o se be ntwibufu kakra ka say one seed na wutua no se wo hefi na egu container na se anase wo table na se na wo yi ma bobo ya fon kwanya de on be
ma me enko ahomaso na I think one gentleman expressed concern say why a victim. Okay, Papa Bremuna thing, ye ninkomo, but mamim fa voice note kakra to the area. The number no 0244 320 na what you mean so ama ya tewunka ma yenko na ye inti. Papa Bremuna thing. Okay, too bad. I think that okay. Mame, we're getting a feedback. Okay, it's back. Okay, my inti it's here for.
Pipase, me chona boy yanka pipase wotan. Kofi, the BIA come answer me say come answer me na bia muti studio mu na mu se sebe. Mokus ko yen se nyanse nimpa ko fo tremo. Yale ya banye yale kutu enti aho eni ya say we program no from one ya lene bisi o America na se kana se me di se wonam for sa outside the country from some say somebody e politifia na motimi friend disifo na sampati bi no mo be ka se na ya na eku ya lene tiga baga na haso anka bend baga na hakania ni nka me dem beye nta mo bia na mo bia na be di akofo no du se bi uni nya se enti pa se uni ka papa no obo ade bia se du ka tio se mi je mfio na de mi amofro bo se bi nyanse nti bi ni mutiri.
Anyway, these are the voices and okay. Mame
Kofi adeba kuna say sisi no yehu enti untimi ya dete voice o masane aba and e boni straight out intine.
Anyway,
yes sir, say sisi intine anu ama okasa no so na high decent kaka.
I no
na high decent.
Me serious go voice no. Let's start anyway. Papa Brema me. Okay, mame nyadwa bi mra. This gentleman concerns say okay, mame kojo akono ahoma so kojo bibia aboko de. What's the kiosk ya bay or day?
And the metro more 723.
That bay
723 in the day. But metro missing me out of home. The Madonna Muti here in a book short of two. No more soldier for Bano with a real down. I'm to Master Hannah, one bomb with your boot. Master, one problem did the papa, some year after, which you make you now.
Now I hear.
Well, for office anymore, a lot of kiosk anymore.
Office Bain.
Lot of kiosk in the organizer or labor.
Ewa, hefa.
A sit boy to the filling station, natural.
Labor office, our suffer. Yes, will be antabonting. Two tabonting a day.
The lot of kiosk in the one with a white gentleman, I'm about to one I met that. Oh, it's about no marketing number 2. It's about to win, or the baby to papa.
But 1 hour, I don't know what to say. Hey, Eba.
I want to make the best treatment, make me tell the mother that.
And one woman, hey.
But hey, one day, money the two. The soldier from home. No, someone was started one broom.
That means a many pa and then our Bontini, Pamona, Ombato.
There will be a no more. There will be a no more. So be no more. Come back to be no more.
Yeah. Me ba hold on. Also be any ho. Unkwana ho. Then ati ye. If one na ye no.
It is can't be too one. Can't be too one. It's what you want. It's here. Na musu ma da mu to manage the two. Na musu sorry no be say we said that we are not to hard bo. Na papa no start no mo so. Mata ha na mo. So, we can go to not the wire, not the shimechi. And the papa, and the more. The boom, madam, Nafi, what shimmer, miss you on the fat woman.
But so now, that and uncle who kills Mana.
But we miss him, Hannah, one but a million. What's one thing? I don't wish to work with them, didn't wash him.
Okay, I think so you can report to the police and no bet me abwa. And sorry though, but you're not paying for Bekasa, na yebisa DC, but I think say bet report to the police. Why?
Yo, Papa, there's a Papa Bonism, maybe settlement to my casa, Papa Bonamoshima, and I'm the maybe done a motion, maybe we don't know why that. So then it's important to me, no be alone. Watching the shop, I should be alone.
Kafra, report to the police. 23 minutes past 8. Papa, SSS in this issue. But I think, sir,
Kofi mincheti for janano baby.
A lot. Anyway,
mincheti for Kofi mo amgusu kosutie de bia na kusu damase. Mo amoso Kofi mere mo kaka ye ketekete no Kofi Yakopon so onkoso na onhira obi
ya kai wo.
Oh, amanfo bi kaka ye. Ya dofu
kaka so amanfo bi kaka me.
We say
so kai ye me nka ho.
And say Barbara men say kai.
Yes, Barbara men say no kai.
Ya
kasa manfo bi kaka
me
obi Barbara men one kai me
Barbara, but apart from Barbara obi afufu bi ankai.
Oh, but na say bia obi should be kai wa no kan kire me. And I want if decide not to maybe appreciate that person, or to recognize that person, and I mean, be kind of maker.
Oh, okay.
So, minima de kunti osase wo ye
they were cow no
Barbara men no Barbara men abeka team members. Yeah, that say. But apart from Barbara men,
also by school feeding.
Yes, auntie, and the for the face today, okay. And then the back of your auntie, and I'm somebody my updates kakra Minister of Information Kojo Ponkrman in the team. Kofi I commend them. In fact, de bia no omo me hu de ekoso. Enra chimiemu sheme kakra Kofi ti asem ye pa o. Emra president be ka kire say Ghana your next line of action say be extend this lockdown depends on the 15,384 samples ye take here Kofi de ko akona yako test no Kofi ho ni begina. But enra about 7,000 at the buy. Means we monitor ya. Almost about 7,000 after 15,000 buy. And 14 pet nyebi. And Kofi in fact, if I not, I'm able to million kakra,
which is 0.18%.
Yeah, because you see, not minimum say about 7,000. No, you been maybe 1,000 or 500. That was my estimation, and I own 50,000 in ano. Yenya not less than 700. Because so push say even 1,000 cry if you butcher buy
no 70 something
no
the total of about 100 and something
105
yeah and
yes and
which was about 10% of it
exactly
no 1% of it
of the total amount of buy yes plus the 10 almost in your northern region make it 150 now me personal estimation no I am say 15,000 the Kofi Enya cry not less than 500
but I think something for me
what am I
been very
so it means measures na protocols no Ghana for at least you observe because I wish when na you within contract tracing for no I did say mo me fie buchi ba ya se ntumi akwaranche mo that time na omo ba system ni mu no what you say I did say bia o fie buchi ba ya no ye hu ni ntem no di wura mu and wa contacting nkofo ni biti san nkofo ye contact mu nyina na ye contract tracing no okofo tie ni ye pa and mu 15,000 to me sample 7,000 release 14 Kofi any bad news so meaning say Ghana you can contain spread me pa and I think we must commend the president and his team somewhere yard and of course we the Ghanaians meaning say we are observing the protocol because any sana Kofi so be the mawa we so to the amobi meaning say exactly meaning say when you become you are able to and say oh sentino e ka nkwa ho na say nipa so wo de manipulation ko ho no sentino and to me and spread this so that is it. I think saying all no Kofi even though you kwa nim kakra de but any bad news see to me observe all the protocols and the precautionary measures na Kofi Asante I can assure you say 15,000 eba na you more than 50 I can tell you say be a lockdown no yeah extended no I don't know yet, but the 15 all the 15,000 results in to me back. Let's say more than 50 events saying positive. Kofi, I don't think say I extended the lockdown. So in all, no, we are observing the protocols, which is also helping so much. I'm a community spread, no, Kofi Enkoso. Kofi in all, this is we are seeing Kofi Enkoso power. They say 1.434 million.
Serious.
1,434,825 in the
USD. That's what cost
82,156 Kofi Newu. 302,000 per in to me recover. US Kofi Wonshomunam 400,549.
It's dangerous.
US 12,857. Kofi Spain 141,942. Nipa 14,045 in the Wu Spain. Italy 135,586. 17,127 in the Wu Italy. Kofi enya go na yedi. And now, Ubi from me minimum or from phrase if Spain. And in fact, no commending a pound since from the dear parts of say Uncle Rudy Simbona Baswa in Shira because the kind of education and the kind of say I run your program no or did he say you deserve in a basso body and he was telling me the experience the lockdown of Spain could be a possible in the Becker and will tell us much more of what I say. So that is that. Go for a quick one on this food distribution. And I'm from a tier from Kakra. Kofi me commende aban no eno nyina tama asan ba ye bonabas say oyade a social intervention bi ode aba at least Kofi pina for that no Friday Bernard obi frɛ no owu said no ne ma omundidi ena labi phones adaroma o sene ne kakra Kofi pina busu oh yes e frɛ ya a kyese omunya bibi ni Kofi ni ade enti aban no ya ade say ode sa police we by so yintumi identify the vulnerables na yintumi home na ya de ne kakra obi Kofi fa mo enti ono social welfare Nadmo and I'm so more back down to the churches and more church leaders near there and assembly members concerns Pina ba said they are involved money the Kofi to me I think it is wrong. Not involved with assembly members and the unit committee members. I agree with assembly members. Kofi, a fact is, I'm
part of the committee.
Exactly.
Not necessarily say.
Yes, they could have been part of the committee because Kofi, don't forget the unit committee member. This is a local the decentralization system. They on the ground. They know when
the debate say Nadbo for so free hono and yet likely say you appointing Nadbo or district actually say nipa free the locality ho.
Yes.
Debate me kura in Efra Kra.
I'm not exactly.
But so the amount of reserve kakra say the fact is say unka committee no you can be I guess we assembly member bet me afresh so me man for we
so why not involve them
so there's nothing wrong with that.
No, but they should have involved them okay even not assembly members the unit committee members because I'm on that form I'm on the work for me nimkofo no because it should be part of the committee so Kofi Kofi involve matter the software national phone Kofi Asante or church members ko na onimu omo me Roman father only Roman phone ko what you say, but unit committee members and assembly members, they know the people on the ground.
I think the idea and they say what they wanted to do away with the politics.
Exactly.
I think
no, but you all know that some members are not politicians. Let's even though
in this guy
that person exactly
they are not politicians.
No, but in this particular situation, because some members there, assembly say bar and know who the reassembly members. I'm telling you,
Ebia sitting in Tra. Na so ko nkron kitu mu dia hold dey serious.
I'm telling you, omuja juma pa. What you say? Next time biano, they should involve the assembly member, the unit committee members. Omo nim kofo no mo and they can identify even the vulnerable and the needy and the poor. Kofi what you think no on abanaya there but me mum there o mu involve mo Kofi Anke boy here pa but in as much as you involve mo yes honorable prempen mo ne presiding member ni penifo nyina no they should get themselves involved what you say until they should involve themselves in no mu how abuse distributed and say bibia Kofi enye sa ban ya de but at the end of the day no asa kotochima Kofi what you say
oh sure
yes until Kofi mama just last comment be on say interview no Kofi said nkatia me wo problem kakra with the issue no can say the daily update ni ade no I said they are managing this animem Kofi mum de
I see the contest it takes about 4 days
it takes some time
and 37 military hospital or more doctors they were even worried say they are only 6 hours now result but they take you 4 days you can't get it daily
you can't get it daily but it is but the most important thing is Kofi you don't say Ghana that's our situation and Aban manage the community spread say the buyer spread it
so then I will come from the beginning Papa many the way the information ministry
I'm telling you
and the social media
I'm telling
you the biggest challenge I want is speculation any lack of information
exactly
say a basa bon say no be a tugumba where they are almost every day every appropriate day ba out kojo pon kroma any the government the
ministry of health
all the best they can do as a ministry and at the omoyen kojo
has been very low I'm telling you
you can't get any better information
than
yes. A better information flow than the Aben here. Because this is the 5th time, the last time was the 5th time president about consistently. And way, the best thing we need is constant information. And that is what the government is doing.
Exactly.
And politics.
Say even the 15,000. But I'm not able to because after 15,000, 7,000 about then 14 and then you be Kofi I'm able to because that's the best way. What you say? Exactly. So that is the Kofi. And I also me person Kofi Santia say Kofi say doing Katia as I call for the accountability. Kofi so and also you're wrong.
And you're wrong.
What you say? It's not wrong, sir. Because
exactly.
And I can do what you say. So I say doing Katia is also not wrong to say you make sure say scan benyano. You conform those who deserve it and the beko. Send here the for one the because if you don't take a coffee, answer COVID-19 between obi sit down obi yes you know obi atoka at the expense of the vulnerable at the extent of nipana okoso here says sikano so when you all even though or a politician till okasa asen ko for fan angle no but unless also taking serious make sure say scan benya no yemfa ko be yoseko no be nto da
wo mo ehia wo mo no yemfa ko mo nsanka because na kwabra ne mfa ho ma na ye hu ye
feeding exactly
oh yeah
so he was also right on that particular angle but Kofoni I think say Ghana you be commending nyina ye wonyade yentrana
from the media because I mean Oshe affect obia ya advert nkasabi yampa mebo 128 magbeta Nhyira kete ayetimi nyakwan kasa enti affect obia I mean a serious effect but at the end of the day she ade no kum ye nyina
yes oh yeding
enti na ya na me worried say your security for as my life abonten because no ojina abonten na opamokraso kofie no he is at risk
exactly
enti wu kokotena fie keke na wo de home na obi okra wo nam abonten so woni woni
edwadifo no pa se ne na sojafo no ne omo kasa na efe kora keke
oh yeah
he hu ade be hu say yes sojafo no ma ya ade
oh no come on na say wonye
edwadifo no sojafo no kom nche no ne omo kasa
oh yes
no ba se omo ka che omo de
no omo nso ye nipa te say ye ne a ye maame ye yire nom ne ye krunum na omo ewo monten so ahonti omo protect ye say kofie na kwotena se
front line workers
exactly but there have been some concerns among them ye besra ban in as much as ye nurses yensu yemo yani nko the police
the police
exactly the PPs I know say bebri wa o mache but any kwan say obi de nose mask baako ehye ne hwene no for more than 2 days
no
that's almost police for no podie omu nche na ni bi
We need to think about them, Papa.
Police station.
We need to think about them.
Oh yes, we need to think about them because
we need to think about them.
So be o tell car mu no obekọ ho oh boss na te say
what I say
obobo wagu so
Sraban president Badabia Naja or commended the ifo no nurses what they are common the PPs the police the military the fire service the prisons or more agencies the BNI obia or more risk of life no aban so nkoso nwen wo mo na wo mo so alawa no ye peka kran mo ye ntete wo mo so salary no so ye
aduane so nko because last year complain said aduane wo so ko no ebi wa man
ye said aduane so krampo no sabi enhyɛ da ntesa
papa omo nya nkwala o asa wo bit wa nko be obetimi anya ni bi papa bi edi
kofi dan udu denyame ho a woman be nice police woman kokopa
ebe na wo hu nice police woman
police woman na be so kokopa na so ba ko tintin gramo jam ewiem pa what you say kofi na for nice girl so
bad pa
police woman na be say
mo come tell so police woman na mo ko
na me who be fa wa yi o pa ma ponte kwen so be be ko bu di hey na police for na nko mame sausage ni hwa bi na nka nchem se so aduane ni
okay
yes na commander matna senso ama me message si o say no ba oboase a market no social distance na ye
adwuma pa
na ni ma police for any security
matna senso ye da se papa
ya bo ma ba so ai
good news for town. Good news for town.
Anyway, but I say new word be I say ye go so ye career to phone adi just one more consensus e wo pipe one watch say wo hwe nipa abo apeso a Daniel Buampon e wa homa so Bema good morning.
Good morning sir.
Na o say new word be as I dey
new word be as I dey ba kwa no pemi bag man na me hu say pipe na omodie ye free no enkwala ni mpanyimfo titomo robes ate so mo ye pipe na no bebre no na e ma humete nya me sime framo na mo smo tutu kakra wo no ta dia mo because ye cost ni nyina yesuro nti ye nyina ye de boabo ye ho pipe na free anytime bia pipe na da ho nti na futu ade mo mo nsa nka mo muwa na nka mo enkwala no kra do so kra mpanyimfo no nya me sime framo bu mama no.
I see. Now, Pennyfo be aware of this.
No, clear na me who sad no. You so penny dia I na mo.
Okay, but that's it. Yeah, best sign to Saboja for voice note kakraba.
Wait, just 1 second.
Yeah.
Kofi no menya course fi areas bebre. Say insuo na aban so mfama ye free no. On se bi mu ton, e bi ton insuo no abonten. She says some kofo say omu nya nton nsuo ni bi because ono so omu ma free. Kufitia se ni yo ebia na wo nsuo a wo pipe. Na so ntom nkofo.
Okay.
What you say? Sisi aban se mama ye nton nsuo imu ni
so omu je na
nkofo mu je na nkofo bubu ni free no. San ni pa no so omu nya afo mu ni free man nkofo omu so nton.
O ma brofo nti.
I'm telling you the sometimes yes investigation no. I will give you I'm telling you. And I'm telling you, Kofi, it's so sad. What you say? Because the panu nyam tontino, onto one man Kofi good free. It's like how? Oh, Jesus of Nazareth.
Anyway, I think one of the issues I will raise in Pasetia, David Kusiapia Diaba. David, what's the experience? I will show you there on Pasetia.
As I super Kofi Asante.
Yeah.
Na situation here come on budget and say omo isi a ensuo no are aban pipe and so omo da so ye den e ton ma aye kuroma fo no
wow
kuroma fo no kwache omo kwa bu nsuo na omu asisi a omu ya caretaker for na nanko mo hwe nsuo no so no
omo ton
omo ayo ma gene se omo ma kuroma for ni mu nsuo no wan tua sika nya dom bebu
aban say free nti moma police for aso nti because ni kwa say obi aton nsuo mu obi abiem at this time yes aban say free nipa na oton ma no onko nkotua nsuo ni ka the next 3 months you enti wono jiska de gun bottom ka abra onkotua ho bill bia patomata say that is it enti mum report to police kuzi edama say abna voice note kakra but yeah issue this disclaimer say voice note no we don't listen before say yebo enti for some of them biane simhuna obi di kan kekachire and that is how it is nti yebesre so whatever happens bia assembly no enya we have to cut it
number na action insure before a friend praised make us free and cocoa you maybe cost so am person ka me chairman drink akra ho san company for bit maboa ye maame no na adwadifo na o magye bosia o microfinances no ho microfinances no binum still abedwom beji sika na chese na enye asem keto akra because microfinances no so no ese o makobo bosia no ewo big banks no wo so mutua nti madwenche ni say senka aban anasa mampani betima ye emre bi ama microfinance na etia omobosia no big banks no obe break omo kakra se be ya omo so no microfinance no betima break adwadifo na me ye sure senka ebetimi aboa en kakra.
Good morning. If you show me taxi driver because of you here. Me chana bu benito me chana pa. Black of you what's me na say. Aban tu ni me hwe Sofia bio na Sofia ye ka aban kura Sofia ka ho. So dey come see ku we Sofia black of you na some gitu o be hwe fia timu a. So dey asem si abata bo mu wa ha eno mo kunu mawuo black of you e come see dey ku we Sofia na. Say aban tima nya bibia mfa ho pa we Sofia ene manimu ya black of you you better see komo you better see komo ma you better see because obi wa wono ni mbada nso wono so ka ho obi kwa do yale kwa ansa na lockdown baba se do obi to nyama ni medi kwa woni bi anope kwa de ne medi kwa woni bi what de ba ko ba ko so won so no pe nya sam ketwa black of you se so fe mo anya bibia amfa ho a anya sam ketwa se wa kata abano ni bimfa ho so fe se
kuru ni bibia yo kuru trafie ntinzi
ko we de producer papa mu nyina mo boy mapa na me kakra da krope me kan se mesre ye kan yare hu asemi na hu hia pa ye mo e ho ban se no mampanyi ene na pamfo omu na mo mutu meyo otikrum ha de na mo wutu enyina ntie nasem ye tie nasem so no ye bompemfo bi so aba so he John Dramani mama ono so obo na ho modern kabom kro dia bakoma tu yare no na menhia no papa ni misasa pon so mechia no na mesre bosonchi DC mesre mon kasanchire no se nipa nkoda dumienu dia wi dumienu na tamba anajo abeda sore ana obeda da nti mesre se mra no mampanyi hye o se mi PP rough na okoto ade dia obetimi akoto ade na DC o wedeja MC watimi
mpacho wankaso obi ankoda tu wankaso obi ankoda dumienu let's get it right. Was wundi hwe ya na antenanti krum nti please DC de na bosonhwe no yes nipa na so eden nti trefi nkofa sem bia ma
no watching because I free Italy frame kwa MP assembly man for no ba kokasa wakae no say amfo mo anka ho nti aduane aye chede nde ba ko so say security for or friend not bo oba no e ma ne koma wo mo aduane this omo patch say yamfo mo anka ho nti no obi wo no pesu ara so na komode no na wuwu ana oba no ho be ka che na obepam no say yamfa na anka ho di wonko no nko sa assembly ma for mo fara omo nka ga na abonsamfo no ho
obi kire na adwen ya na mo ma ya agiatum please. Okay.
Kofi Asante. Sisi hadi asema mpese bisa ne say. Sa 15,000. ye kosesa wonum efiri hefa ye bia contacts ni nyina ena yaka wano a eye 15,000 ana 19,000 wodi kankan ye no contacts ni nyina no na ye bia sa multiple contacts no eno so yensa aka wonu a wo mu dwane ya wo ye contacts a yade na wura wo mu a wo mu nya 14 days ana some period of time a ebetimi apie wo mu honam no symptoms na di aba no wo mu no yenya wo mu etita you say ya ye mu 7,000 emu 14 pe eni yenya wo mu ye external contacts wo mu edukosan we yenya. We are not testing enough. Oh, enti maybe mama me massage figures. Ema yenti nipa 7,000 eni yenya emu 14. For God's sake. We are not kids, we are not dudes. Aden mummy kan no kro manfo yam sisi wo mo munwuna nkrofo ema na munyi police sam ni soldier sam ni frim because nipa nyim so wo no wo kwa kowu a na yade ni gira bonte wo na nya na ebekunu a nya de obekọ police ni kra won fa no ho nya de obekọ police ni twam kra won fi no what you say mumma hu nto nipa no so say de be prevent fear and panic manfo yam nipa ni yam sisi ara de wo kra wo gowu na yam sisi me nyani ye say ye massage figures na ye come for won come akomantum yam yade na ntu atese enye sei let's say there see eni ma bi o wa enye fe ye
good morning chia oni ukripo ni na sacho ye from Jamal me kasa fil Kenya sabro na me pese me bita se kwa abere is ye wo MP ana ne yakagana ho na disi nso ye wo bia na because obe he kwa abere is ha o firi abrem eba o ma se new side ekopima ntoa new side amafo motiti ho amafo fie praprati na mo no moti efie bi wo ha o munya esiwie de nchense gutu na obedi ntawa akobobom poma no woti mi o mo bedi be ma no cha na oba no sore so man pia nko adwuma o mu ni di ntia ba se no mu ina ahye dem ekom na eku amafo nso yenti MP bia MP nka ti di fie nka ana abantu yenti nka ne beti a de bia na kaya yo nti yanka gana ho ana odamase baba
Bala.
Hello, good morning. Kofi Sunday. Wallahi tembia meka mama sama wombo me nekra awo radio so ayemwa menti ase se me na ya me yentem wa na wo hwe na wo twusu na wo katakasa wo body a menti ase wo gura but we no honorable Halidu ene ye mami kasa na mo kan mate Kofi but na do na keke no ya mini se yebehwe de wa mo fa so mo mbecha de na ade na mo cha de na o modru efiwe na fiwe ye a no ma twomako akoma bi what you say ade na keke no anya ade abetuma aboa se o mode ma mo fa ma assemblyman for no assemblyman for so mo ma assemblyman for so kan ho bi because assemblyman ono na ewo apatamo ho no wo hu nipa dodo a ewo awa as a fatter say betima ma o modern but mo ko ba na ko ezi se bia mo se dia hi bia on frɛ ayi mpenufo na o mo be ma o ma so bia betima frɛ mpenufo na ma o mo de na ko bia na fatter say o aduane ne be ko no but o mo ma assemblyman for no so dia ni ma no mo kyerɛ fiwe ye hu se fiwe hie wo yanko fiwe ye se yanko ho Kofi Begi decided na beya my bada yes I don't know.
Hello, Pacho, good morning. Wasante achim konongo. Na ohwe situation wa hana ase yare no kro mo mfa ho wa ha sei. Social distance na ye ka say in practice no. Drivers na wa hana do monte hwe. Bibia so police for na mo so mo nka hwe.
Good morning. Michia munyina. Ye pamachonuane na mochen monchene nso obia so na mohwesna aduane ne ye chene ntime nso a monye muba mani so ma obia 50-50 kra ne fa nkotobi enra yesi maki omuche nuane humesin ko he man munyamfuo a omudi la ye kopa aduane a ye nya bi ekom no enye ni mobo ne ye de che aduane o bu ha na nim sepe so na ekom de yanko adwuma ye nidi tinanado yesre no moba mani kura wonye won fengu ye phone so ni ayen fenkoto ye biane ni ya soja phone mususu mburu ye nkwala no
Diana ba Kofi Asante me mo achi na malende kuna no si search e ka se free bantim Diana ba mpacho Diana no mu no an mpacho fufu kan menti asie hwan ne be ka se ho chi na hwan na ho nchire no e se intimity bantim ha na se kom de mere ne me ma me fa phone frɛ ye de aduane na free hin na de abrɛ entinka mo no se ya de anka ye sa aduane no ye de fie na mo sachets ba ko na se konko mienu kura no bia nia bia na onyin se nka be so ni a che se asi adwene nipa binom ho sa so mdom ye Ghana fo che obi a ho kire no ti sra aduane no sikwa mfa so ye ndie na na osu se che mama Linda kuno me no mo nya adu
Kofi Mpacho, good morning. Obusi yo kwala zinso so I no so much ye hu bia so ndamase efema kosi
Kofi mema etie for na ache ene sabre mo ma jedra 80 Nhyira FM 104.5 Kofi no bi ekoso o mawe mu a me ekome osmedwene ho a Kofi menti ase eno ne se edwane a omoka se omochiche ede ama omo a sabi omo nyibi ene bebi a friends omontumi emba krumenwe Kofi ade no se ukọ ase opa na ukọhwe de wi no masi kwa akwakoye politics mebisa se atuma kwa awoma constituency ehefa ana moche edwane ede ama sa akofo na de ye kom ho asem no me ampa me na metu na meti Kofi me pia bonte makọhwehwa me me hunu bebi o mede omo chese edwane no me pese me di mani hu na me verify hu se ampa omo che edwane na na ache omo nche bi enu se sabre no onabo apia kubi eni MC omutie ni a tuma kwa homa constituency ampa me number 2 nkwansa na adade ka ho no omo hwe ho nso omo famo ni enhwe ho nso ebi se nkofo mo ho no omo so omo hia omo yie pa edas Kofi
me mo ache ade ne nipa mpegu no kuru ma sa Kofi edwin ho amenti ase ade na wo ka no kreso ye politics okurumu a asemu ntie se du ketua be kan Kofi entro be pa de wum name of the poor benefit of the rich no kre ye chemiane Kofi he fa na ye chubi nuane fa just o ye kan okurumu se kim ateni ni attack be of unnecessary attacks enso na no kre na wo ka Kofi Yenya say Subaya na some see do get kan General 1 no crepa no kan and true be any baby Kofi
Hello Kofi, good morning. Father Mike Kasafe Pankrono Gani asema aboka no nka eye mpanifanye zom dia bankaye na so ade ya me hono se ya hai wana moto mu wura fi ma ba mu di ene bono mu wura fi wa esi ya tawa wa di 60 years ke fi mi okra ye wura mu na obi ene 60 years anu moto mu obi abi ho ma mo di ene mu no nipa ba fo minim o ma ya de aso mo sa na buku kro mo twetwe dini o de gwana be si ba no mo twetwe dini ansa na mu ye ma wa bete no mu wi ade aka no mo di ene mu no mo te ne nyina gugu mfio no mo bo hwan kwa akodi enti empanufo anhwe na sa ade menim sisa ya moriya ya entomo ye wura fi ho na obi mfie nkwa ni mu ho so free sister ya sa kwa tese mu de mu nyana manka ho ade enti na wasa basa nkonye sister years from kwa de didi obi kora o 10 years agani obi din sister years.
Okay, have about 4 minutes to hit 9 o'clock live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Yam fast da Star Life Assurance. Abrabono edumre bia uhia nsiechi ba kase betima boa wo. Mobadia na when life insurance policy ni ada insurance policy awodwa Star Life Assurance diaba. Number no ewube timi afre no 0302739600 na bibia timi aye kama de amano pay omo eboain sanso ana miguso a mekaiwo na metwe wadwen de agina so se absa sabre digital banking eno na yeguso a ye kaiwo and se wadaje and of course shishie bebre sit ewo wa ufi
na daily ubeye withdrawal aye deposit in Kura banking hall baby na enha wo ho bomodin na isu absa stay safe bomodin na visit your website absa.com.gh. MTN say my bundler expire dial *138# enjoy bundles that don't expire. You know Spain young Conin chain now and share some experience so far with us. Said Spain minor Ghana for this year war face the COVID-19. Bema it is saying Samuel Usu Nyamiadom anopay Spain it is saying
oh anopay the Nyamena mobile ayeboko de nanso na jaye wo musa
ewie mate kakra mamo na rate na nipa nya bi ne de cost na design
so ewie mu de wi ana se bo kakra na yare ne de bra kofi didi kanu medika motiefo na mabbo mabaso pa wona papa mi foro mo pa yare ba e kwa mo nam so a mo bo mo dawru a mo diketi amanfo no bo mo mo de pa nyakupo onyamo kase na de ma mu ze Ghana ihia kasa kire because yare we u bospe ha na be se da abrofu yi asi abonyanya na abrofu nyina koma se di pa mi ni pa mo be so mo din komo hey me kase 2 days in me si from koto frutas mi be wu afia na me hia wanga bia minim no ono kwa ya timu a ogina babi police mo bi o no se ye se politics sa ne guwo na eye di adanse a nkomo di paper ma emuta hanum abano de mraba sese no ye chu so nam abonten na ni bibia ye so koto aduane bi koto nsuo na ye chewa if 600 up to 16,000 euros. Ya the mount na one tia o people wu na ko tuma ya se people no enti dia dika no ye be boga na mampai na baso na even dia mo ye kura se mo so mo chenu ya ne mo ye kete ebi ni ha kofi ha no ahun kire ebi mo chiro mo party se Ghana pepepe o obi wo ha no sebi o soro ko woni kata okọ afom djuma na ko gina kanfo ni ya fane na ko djuma enne se ni pa no hwe o be re no didi aha record so kusu uni babi ya kwaje biane se yes fa awon pa na otwemi nsani bi se dem ne pressure bo me hono wia na me ko pesu ana me ko pe fruta bi ato di Ghana fo mo na do abaso ye mo abana baso na se mo di abana me de na papa ka se bi se e be yanka edwa ta se ti se te ti medwa no ye adwire dwa na ye no me papa ya adwene 200% de ko ha edwa bi no ene ha obewu supermarket na obekosa okotade no obedu no bia gina bonten supermarket kede zenga bia mo kan to shopping mall no ne mekomi nipa bia be se num mu na moto ade wia ni nu pia ni amagi rewum ni na mo gina bonten na to bia jejejeja oh na Ghana for no obi kra me tie mo bi otimi si from na obehwe bia se na na do mra wa se no kra amafo diswa Ghana yenye careful pa na yare no be hu se abrofu esi abonyenya na abrofu nyina omu gudam na sabi omusi wu bra nyakopo mo pese mo de pa na mo de wuye kana fo yenya fe yi awo yade we aba na yade no enya sam keto akwa oba na be wu abrofu abrofu pa kanye mo maye kuma ni ba ni restaurant just ababia obehu se ade a ye bie se enie hakoto ye adwuma bia no tibia ye adwuma kuma bank kura o so ko bank la udu wa obodo no o mato no mo she inside ugina grass ni no mo wakasa etino ni ni de Ghana for fire we stebia o mo fa so cheap mo suru kura sa abandi message aba se de bitu ya boyare o ban among for some number banjire mi ti o interview pa last na o ne because o MC ba ko o so e careful na me chede me kura me no kura media na me se ni agente bia na ntini nyamo ntini nka be educate among for pa the Ghana for you go to you from ya mu se ti chi ko ma no o ti ase e ko di fi iso dem o do una bon ti a o twe o ya no one grass na o ye e go si formal. This is what you are. Nhyira FM. Ghana for muntie dia esisa abane dia bano. Message o dia bukwam. Na munyima o ma me ka me ba fiu.
Say oko for pre when ade aba. Say Spain na get lockdown here up to 11th. And then abana sa the court on the 6th. It's the fear in the baby ko. Say them na upie. No me we are our grass me say. No me we are.
Minia, Radenka Yina, I wish you all the best and stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe. 2 minutes past 9. Observe.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Banga for na ma soldier force stress what? Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough. The nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute. So peaceful on the economy management to be Anthony John Mahama now on only time next city no at China inflation senior they get for almost how many marks Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entishia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho etuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Banga for na ma soldier force stress what? Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough. The nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute. So peaceful on the economy management to be Anthony John Mahama now on only time next city no at China inflation senior they get for almost how many marks Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entishia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho etuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Banga for na ma soldier force stress what? Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough. The nyansa krono no dey pop Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute. So peaceful on the economy management to be Anthony John Mahama now on only time next city no at China inflation senior they get for almost how many marks Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to
your number one Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anope bia ebono nsia pa husima aduana Ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pa husima aduanan Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa Ekosi no nan eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de Memeda de nso e de asomo so don hwere miensa e na Memeda bia yetena se efiri anopa na onkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumadie ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba e dwumadie me de bright kan kambodu
kwabena open afie OB tries
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say born here bebo
Christian Edu say
what he said on the premise in also just the boss question that is so on Kobe. Yes,
amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and na Najman Bomodia said the bia o miss our program way na the global show. Number 1 Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pa hosima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene awia yetnase biem anopa nonkono ebo pa hosima aduana ekosi awia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports.
Show 104.5 Yawazoye anything na yede obra at 1 eba onchen ye from your sofu nearby efe amano ubeti ya from lady amano mayenhia fidwada kosi efiada obra at 1 p.m. pepepe enchechire bebrewom adesua ewom emmensu emma esu enkwada esre ye tua school fees ni ye hwe bia yeresa na ye bo bi emomo nya adwuma how be na awom mayenhia 1 p.m. debiarada Ejuada kwesi efiada
manu player back pe woni be mate ho wo sis de si yenyina no wamba hospital ni bu ofudie de wo ko ya wo se e Canada wo yenwie wo sa kwone na sa kwatrase owie ye now ama na sa anyi mu biem wo ba ya wo kan nyina wanka ma na me kwa mentiase wo mensia eye feeling so
Show 104.5 Yawazoye anything na yede obra at 1 eba onchen ye from your sofu nearby efe amano ubeti ya from lady amano mayenhia fidwada kosi efiada obra at 1 p.m. pepepe enchechire bebrewom adesua ewom emmensu emma esu enkwada esre ye tua school fees ni ye hwe bia yeresa na ye bo bi emomo nya adwuma how be na awom mayenhia 1 p.m. debiarada Ejuada kwesi efiada
manu player back pe woni be mate ho wo sis de si yenyina no wamba hospital ni bu ofudie de wo ko ya wo se e Canada wo yenwie wo sa kwone na sa kwatrase owie ye now ama na sa anyi mu biem wo ba ya wo kan nyina wanka ma na me kwa mentiase wo mensia eye feeling so
Show 104.5 Yawazoye anything na yede obra at 1 eba onchen ye from your sofu nearby efe amano ubeti ya from lady amano mayenhia fidwada kosi efiada obra at 1 p.m. pepepe enchechire bebrewom adesua ewom emmensu emma esu enkwada esre ye tua school fees ni ye hwe bia yeresa na ye bo bi emomo nya adwuma how be na awom mayenhia 1 p.m.
May the Lord be with us. But let me put this clear. In as much as I bind sense you and free no. Mr. Mobi, I am a mechanized boho. No other pipe position, no other poly tank. As you so. Now you know, on one Casainam Canian or the pumping idea, not automa, Mr. Ronnie, the ultimate Cocazi. There be that. The entire Ghana water is so free. But so will be in a mechanized boho. Now what then a pipe position now automa idea, Mr. Mo, Mamon for free encore. Now be Tian and Cania. Anyway. Light the free and there be in there Mr. Mo and you heard himself before being free akaho ogu yes at the same nyame adom da nyame ase ye ni dwa evedija kofi me party say arrive alive as you see the cars inside that not so krum nenso no mesre wa mo me nyina ye mo ban papa
chain now on share some experience so far with us. Said the Spain, minor and Ghana for this year war AFC the COVID-19. Bema, it is saying Samuel Usu
that Ekushia. Emre Kobane say Dr. Mensah, Ejwane Yatumuno. Ejwane for Dona no Sanso Mohoba Central Market. Eme bi nso ko Bantima, ebi nso ko race course, ema mo ko bo pace wo ho. Enti na fe de social distancing na ye ka no, obi anu observe biem. When person in yonko ebeja space na we jan space to na we aba be she ho.
Okay.
So what is the way forward? There na be ya asade we to betwa. Okay, eni edwane Central Market ya close no. Mumi nyina entrance ne ento ato adwene to moto ato adwene mu se no. Se ye run shift system na ebeboa. Ye beti mu be ya miensa ye doso Central Market mu doso pa kofi se enei ye se aduanefo se wo kɔ ba bi de se Bantima dwom wo kɔ ba bi te se race course na wo kɔ edwa wo suame na wo hu se ni dwadifo no egu opa nwanwa otum se yes edwadifo no omo mu di dwasisi ana omo doso eti kofi se ne beboa ne se ye ya ne ye de Ghana colors ya na aye ebia ene green for mbeba Adetia na gold for maba.
How do you identify as we green?
And human for
no ID card.
Okay, on my ID card. I'm a phone in. Oh, that's good.
Into uni mo card. And a human for no sun LED. It just also more into him I or him ha. One LED to him on for.
Okay.
And I knew until you say Kofi Ababua papa if he says Ufi Ebia race course. And I also be Central Market.
No crack card.
You better identify as a crash. I won't care.
As a Ghana near you. So I do bit to crack a Yama.
Oh, I want to say, Omono, I will unique way. Aha, and almost after unique way on the IRD.
Okay.
That how only been now so before a comes here.
Okay.
Swami Jadifone, Emre Ban say you're close to Dr. Mensah. Kufumina Kobo Pace was Swami.
Okay.
Now, just Swami Kwano, Hona, Ufa Wintino. Na bote. And it is here no Swami Somatum. Omonso mo pemejes omonso betu saa na mo ni bi.
Okay.
Kofi me shada ko fa Swami dwom ho. Na wo ko dwom ho ase ho na areho sem ne say obi ante ho.
No me na aba kwan na no.
Kofi edwanu mu da ho. Edwanu mu da ho nti Bobi ansa MC no ho no nukrani
Dr.
Bobie anamo na wo tu sisi an Kofi kama. If we say edwomu ni na da ho abrekwan ho na dwadifo na ba begu adan a wo mo se
na nipa na ba
hu ntam
we are say
edi se be kwa kwese dwom ho na me se wan kwa na obi amade
na se mu nyina mo ko dwom ha
ko so e be ba ho
nipa be ba ho
obi se dwadifo no so wo mo se pata na nye dia enkrofo bi na agege no makwa kwatena fie ana MC ama utumi se wo je kwana kwatena bim se me ba se nipa ne ba no so ope ho na brana beka tem se asema sisi waba wo se ho ene de nti wo ma mentena ho enti si a measure sampan for na tekini se shops ya lock ni nyina no nkobububu ani omo de nafo bi esi wo se brana beka sa ha ya media se shops ne ya wo de shop we ya wo de no abasa ha ya media me ye fram ya wuku abrese na meto ye na me de document nyina kire ni ebusa die nti ana wuti fie na wo medi dwa wo ho ana die nti na wo mfa pata no so mo obi opese obedi dwa na wo te ho. No, my son is saying, and I'm
voice notes line 0244 320 564. Pacho bit me at the voice note about and very, very brief. I am our casa, Bibia, any decent. In fact, if the Dia Cassetri now watch our dream come my idea in 0244 320 564. Na what me amayate wonka
Kofi adeba konso so a ofa kroma obehu ne ne ene ahunidie se wo hwe ba bi te se adum sane keme fompanfo amehwa ye fe okofa kajetia sane asi amehwa ye fe a ye besere ye maame nom ye besere mu mo hye ase akwa akodi dwai adeba ko a problem ba ko pe nya pa wo Dr. Mensah ne eyefi Kofi senior maame fo no paki bola pa guom containers na se omudi guom wuru anase no ene gatas mu no areho enti ebesere so munya akonya no so mkwa kodi dwane biemu dia efisa ade ba ko yo osasi be antwi ne dadwene pa no yesere omo maintain ho ye omo se omo tuato na kemefo ne mepra e ma that day no o se be ntwibufu kakraka said one seed na wutua no se wo hefi na egu container na se anase wo table na se na wo yi ma bobo ya fon kwanya de on be
ma me enko ahoma so na I think one gentleman expressed concern say why a victim. Okay, Papa Bremuna thing, ye ninkomo, but mamim fa voice note kakra and to area, the number no 0244 320 na what mean so ama ya yatewunka ma yenko na ye inti Papa Bremuna thing. Okay, too bad. I think that okay. Mame, we're getting a feedback. Okay, it's back. Okay, my inti it's here for.
Pipasi, me chona boy yanka pipasi wota. Kofi, the bia come answer me say come answer me na bia muti to do na mo say sebe. Mako sko yen say nyanse nimpa ko fo tremo. Yale ya banye yale kutu mi ndia ho eni ya say we program no from one ya lene bisi o America na seka na say me di say wonam for sa outside the country from some say some dey politifia na motimi friend disifo na sampa tibi no mo be ka say na ya na eku ya lene tiga baga na haso anka bend baga na hakania ni nka me dem beye nka mo bia na mo dey bia na be dia ko for ndu ni sebi ni nya say enti pa say uni ka papa no obo ade bia say du ka tio sabi je mfio na dem ya mo fro bo se sebi nyanse ni nyanse enti bi ni mutiri.
Anyway, these are the voices and okay. Mame
Kofi adeba kuna say no yehu enti untimi ya dete voice o masane aba and e boni straight out intine.
Anyway,
yes ram say ne sitini na no ma okasa no so na high decent kaka
I no
na high decent
me serious go be voice no e be let's start anyway. Papa Brema me okay mame nyadwa bi mra this gentleman concerns say okay mame kodwo akono wa ahoma so kodwo bibia bokọ de
What's
the kiosk? My Abbey or day?
And the material more 723.
The bay
723 any day. Let me tell me, out of home. The Madonna, Mutti, here, and a book short of you. No more soldier for Bana, which I didn't want to Master Hannah, what bomb in which you boot. Master, what problem did the papa, some year after, but which you make you now?
Now,
well, for office anymore, a lot of kiosks anymore.
Office Bain.
Lot of kiosks in the organizer or labor.
A heifer.
A still at the filling station, natural.
Labor office, our suffer. Yes, will be antabonting. Two tabonting a day.
But the lot of kiosks in the one with a white to my number to one I met that. Oh, it's about no marketing number 2. It's over about to win, or the baby to do, Papa. But
one hour, I don't know what to say. Hey, Eba.
I want to make the best treatment, make me tell the mother that.
And one woman, hey,
one then money the fool. The soldier from home. No, someone was that one broom.
That means that many pa and then our Bontini, Pamona, Ombato.
There will be no more. There will be no more. So be no more. Come back to be no more.
Me ba hold on. Also be any ho. Unkwana ho. Then ati ye. If one na ye no.
It can't be too one. Can't be too one. Into what you want. And here na musu ma da mu picture many of the two. Na mo sorry no be say we said am ya na me so hard abo. Na papa no start no mo na me so. Mata ha na mo. So, don't wait till we touch not the wire, not the shimachi. And the papa, and the more. The boom, Madame Napi, what shimmer, if you want to fight woman.
But so now, that and uncle who kills Mana.
But we miss him, Hannah, one but a million. What one thing? I don't wish to work with them, didn't worship.
Okay, I think so you can report to the police and no bet me abwa. And sorry though, but yenem penin for bekasa na yebisa DC, but I think say we report to the police. Why?
Yo, Papa, there's a Papa Bonnet. Maybe 7 minutes to my casa, Papa Bonamoshima, and I mean, maybe Dana Moshima, they would on the quadra. So, the only thing that I mean, we know Biala one wow, watching the shop as to be a
Kafra, report to the police. 23 minutes past 8. Papa, SSS in this issue, but I think, sir.
Kofi mencheti for janano baby.
A lot. Anyway,
mencheti for Kofi mo gusu kosutie de bia na kusu damase. Mo so Kofi mmere mo kaka ye ketekete no Kofi Yakopon so onkoso na onhyira obi
ya kai wo.
Oh, amanfo bi kaka ye. Ya dofu
kaka so amanfo bi kaka me.
O say
so kai ye me nka ho.
And say Barbara men say kai.
Yes, Barbara men say no kai.
Ya kasa manfo bi kaka
me obi
an. Barbara men one kai
aduane ma
one kai me Barbara de manfo bi kaka.
Barbara but apart from Barbara obi afufu bi an kai.
Oh, but na say bia obi should be kai wa no kan kire me. And if decide not to maybe appreciate that person, or to recognize that person, and I mean, be kind in America.
Oh, okay.
So, minimum the good to us as when
they were cow. No,
Barbara Mensa, apart from Barbara Mensa,
also by
yes, Auntie, and the end for the face of the okay. I didn't know about your Santi, and now. I'm some of my updates kakra Minister of Information Kojo Ponkman in the team. Kofi I commend them. In fact, Debia no omo me hu de ekoso. Enra chimiemu sheme kakra Kofi ti asem ni ye pa o. Emra president we ka chair say Ghana your next line of action say be extend this lockdown depends on the 15,384 samples ye take care Kofi ye de ko akona yako test no Kofi ho ni begina. But enra about 7,000 at the buy. Means we monitor ya. Or more about 7,000 after 15,000 buy. And move 14 pet in the nebi. And Kofi, in fact, if I'm not, and my boot to million kakra,
which is 0.18.
Yeah, because you see, not minimum say about 7,000. No, you been maybe 1,000 or 500. That was my estimation. And I own 15,000 in ano. Yenya not less than 700. Because so push say even 1,000 cry if you butcher buy
no 70 something
no
the total of about 100 and something
105
yeah and
yes and
which was about 10% of it
exactly
no 1% of it
of the total mobile buy yes plus the 10 almost in your northern region make it 115 now now me personal estimation I mean 15,000 the Kofi Enya cry no less than 500
but I think some penny for me
what I mean
been very
so it means measures now protocols no Ghana at least you observe because I also when now you within contract tracing for no I give say mom if you butcher buy ya say to me quarantine that time na omoba system minimum no what you say I give say bia if you butcher buy no ye hu in term no the rare mu and wa contacting ko phone bi tisam ko fe contact mu nyina na ye contract tracing no ko so tie ni ye pa and the 15,000 to me sample 7,000 release 14 Kofi any bad news so meaning say Ghana you can contain spread near pa and I think we must commend the president and his team somewhere and of course we the Ghanaians meaning say we are observing the protocol because any sana Kofi so be the mawa we so to the amobi meaning say exactly meaning say when you become you are able to and say sentino e ka nkwa na say nipa so wo de manipulos ko horo no sentino and to me and spread this so that is it. And I think saying all no Kofi, even though you are him kakra but any bad news see to me observe all the protocols and the precautionary measures na Kofi Asante I can assure you say 15,000 eba na more than 50 I can tell you say they are lockdown no yeah extended no I don't know yet, but all the 15,000 results in to me back. Let's say more than 50 events saying positive. Kofi, I don't think say you between I extended the lockdown. So in all, no, we are observing the protocols, which is also helping so much. I'm a community spread, no, Kofi Enkoso. Kofi in all, this is we are seeing Kofi Enkoso power. They say 1.434 million.
Serious.
1,434,825 in the
USD. That's why
82,156 Kofi Newu. 302,000 per in to me recover. US kasi Kofi was 400,549.
It's dangerous.
US 12,857. Kofi Spain 141,942. Nipa 14,045 in the Wu Spain. Italy 135,586. 17,127 in the Wu Italy. Kofi enya go na yedi. And now, Ubi from me, minimum or from a phrase if it's Spain. And in fact, no commending a pound, so from the dear part of say Uncle Rudy Simbona Baswa in Shab because the kind of education and the kind of seriously I run a program, no, or did he say you deserve in a basso body? And he was telling me the experience, the lockdown of Spain, could be a possibility in the Bekasa, and will tell us much more of what I say. So that is that. Could be a quick one on this food distribution. And I'm from Kakra. Could make commend their buying and in a time I stand by a bonabas say a social intervention be or their bar at least Kofi Pinaf done Friday. Bernard will be fair no said no none in the Mamundi Labi phones Adaroma or sending a Kakra. Kofi Pinaf, oh yes, a Freya at your cell, Munya be beaten Kofinia dear. And Tiabana, ya dear say, or this police way by so you to me identify the vulnerables. Now into me home there, you do Kakra will go for more. Into you know social welfare. Nadmo and I'm so more bad to the churches and more for church leaders near there and assembly members concerns Pina ba said they are involved money the coffee but to me I think it is wrong. Not involved with assembly members and the unit committee members. I agree with assembly members. Kofi, a fact is, I'm
part of the committee.
Exactly.
Not necessarily.
Yes, they could have been part of the committee because Kofi, don't forget the unit committee member. This is a local, the decentralization system. They on the ground. They know when
the debate say Nadbo Fono Sufri Hono, and you're likely say you're appointing Nadbo or district. Actually, say Nipani free the locality.
Yes,
let me create in a frac.
I'm not exactly.
But so the amount to be a reserve Kakane say the fact is say unka committee no you can be I guess say we assembly member bet me afresh so me man for we
so why not involve them and from one can
so there's nothing wrong with that.
No, but they should have involved them okay even not assembly members the unit committee members because I'm on the form I'm on the work for me nim kofono because should be part of the committee so Kofi go to involve matter the sofu national phone Kofi Asante or church members going to nim me Roman father when Roman phone what you say, but unit committee members and assembly members, they know the people on the ground.
I think the idea and they say they wanted to do away with the politics.
Exactly.
I think
but you all know that some members are not politicians. Let's even though
in this guy
that person exactly
they are not politicians.
No, but in this particular situation, because some members there, assembly say bar and know who the reassembly members. I'm telling you,
Ebia sitting in Tra. Na so ko nkron kitu mu dey hold dey serious.
I'm telling you, omuja juma pa. What you say? Next time biano, they should involve the assembly member, the unit committee members. Omo nim kofo no mo and they can identify even the vulnerable and the needy and the poor. So what you think on abanaya there, but me mum there, involve woman kuchankeba boy here pa. But in as much as you involve woman, yes, honorable money, presiding member Nimpenifu Ninano, they should get themselves involved. What you say? Until they should involve themselves in no more how I be distributed and say be coffee. And yes, ban ya debate at the end of the day, no, as I could touch him. What you say?
Oh, sure.
Yes, until Mama just last comment to me on a ceiling interview no Kofi said nkatia me problem kakra with the issue no can say the daily update ni ade no I said they are managing this animal Kofi mum dey
I see the contest it takes about 4 days
it takes some time
and 37 military hospital or more doctors they were even worried say they are only 6 hours now result about but they take you 4 days you can't get it daily
you can't get it daily you see but the most important thing is Kofi you don't say Ghana that's our situation and Aban manage the community spread say the bay spread it
so then I will come from the beginning papa many the way the information ministry
I'm telling you I'm telling you
media and the social media I'm telling you the biggest challenge I want is speculation any lack of information.
Exactly.
Say a basa bon say no be a tugumba where they almost every day or every appropriate day almost out kojo pon kroma any the government the
Ministry of Health
the best they can do as a ministry and at the omoyen kojo has been very much.
I'm telling you
and you can't get any better information than yes. A better information flow than the Aben here. Because this is the 5th time, the last time was the 5th time a president about. Consistently. And way, the best thing we need is constant information. And that is what the government is doing.
Exactly.
What's politics?
Say even the 15,000. But I'm not able to because after 15,000, 7,000 about then 14 and then you be Kofi because information is the best way. What you say? Exactly. So that is the Kofi. And I also me person Kofi Santiago. Kofi said Katia as I call for the accountability. Kofi so and also you're wrong.
And you're wrong.
What you say? It's not wrong, sir. Because exactly. And like what you say? So I said Katia is also not wrong to say you make sure say scan benyano. You conform those who deserve it. And the beko send ye the for women benyam because if you don't take a coffee asana COVID-19 betwamu obi asidan obi yes you know obi atoka at the expense of the vulnerable at the extent of nipa na okoso here say sika no so when you all even though or a politician tin okasa asen ko for fan sa angle no but let's also take him serious make sure say scan benya no yemfa ko bebi oseko no be to down wo mo ehia wo mo no yemfa ko mo nsanka because na kwabra ne mfa ho ma na ye school feeding exactly oh yeah so he was also right on that particular angle but Kofoni all I think say Ghana you be commend you na yade yentrana
from the media because I mean Oshe affect obia ya advert nkasabi yampa mebo 128 madbeta Nhyira kete ayetimi nyakwan kasa enti affect obia I mean a serious effect but at the end of the day she ade no kum ye nyina
yes we dey
enti na ya na me worried say your security for risk of my life abonten because no na ogina abonten na opam okra so Kofi no he is at risk
exactly
enti wo kokotena fie keke na wo de home na obi okra wo na abonten so wo ni hwe
edwadifo no pa se ne na sojafo no ne omo kasa na efe kora keke
oh yeah
hu ade be mahu say yes sojafo no ma ya ade
oh no come on na say wonye
edwadifo no sojafo no kom nche no omo kasa
oh yes
no ba se omo ka che omo de no frontline workers
there have been some concerns among them in as much as I hear nurses. Yes, we are the police.
Yeah, the police.
Exactly. The PPEs, I know, say, baby, wow, match. But in you can say, will be there a no mask, Bako, Eshan, for more than 2 days. No. As for police in police for no dear. I make us say we need to think about them, Papa.
Police station.
We need to think about them. Oh yes, we need to think about them because we need to think about them. So be what in car mu no obekọ ho oh boss na ti say what I say obobo wo gudu so enti ya besraban president badabia na ja o commend the ifo no nurses obo nyina abaso but the masters abaso body common the PPs the police the military the fire service the prisons or more agencies the BNI obia wo risk of life no aban so nkoso nwen wo mo na wo mo so alawa no ye peka kran mo ye ntete wo mo so salary no so ye aduane so nko because last nya complain say aduane wo so ekọ no ebi wa ye man
ye say aduane so krampo no sabi enhyeda
nchesa papa wo mo nya nkwala o ya nkwala asa wo bitu wa nkobe obetimi anya ni bipe bi edi kufi dan udu denyame ho a woman be nice police woman kokopa ebe na wo hu nice police woman police woman na be so kokopa na so ba ko 10 gram jam ewi mo pa what you say Kofi na for nice girl so go bad pa police woman na be say no come on tell so police woman na mo ko na me hu bi pa wa yi o pa ma ponte kwen so be hey no police for
now come mama sausage ni ho bi na nka nchem se so aduane ni
okay
yes commander matna senso ama me message si o say no ba oboase a market wo no social distance na ye
adwuma pa na new measure police for na security
matna senso ye da se papa pa na
ya bo ma ba so
Abusia, good news for town. Abusia, good news for town.
Anyway, but I say new bibia say ye gusu aye career to phone ade just one more consensus e wo pipe anu a chese wo hwe nipa abo apeso a Daniel Buampon e wa ahoma so Bema, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now o say new bibia say dey
no bibia say dey ba kwa no pemi ba djuma na me hu say pipe na omo bie ye say ye free no enkwala ni mpanyimfo kitomo robes ate so mo omo ye pipe na no bebre no na e ma humete nya me sine framo na mo small tu kakra wo no mutadia mo because ye cost ni nyina yesuro nti ye nyina ye boabo ye ho e pipe na free anytime bia pipe na da ho nti na futu ara de mo mo nsa nka omo muwa nka omo enkwala no kra do so kra chempanyimfo no nya me sine framo bu mama no.
I see. Now, Pennyfo be aware of this.
No, clear na me who sad no. You so penny be a mo.
Okay, but that's it. Yeah, best sign to Sabotage voice note Kakraba.